Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas. We start the show straight off with a breaking news here for a scalp trade. So we're giving you the information now. We're posting it on Twitter now, and this is our urgent scalp alert. Now be very, very careful. This is high risk. It's now being posted directly on Twitter as well. There it goes. And this one is BMV. I am in. It's up 137%. We are off and running. This one is moving now. We are in with this one, and this is not financial advice, but this is very fast moving, and be very, very careful. It will happen extremely quickly, and we are looking for this morning. I am looking for another 30% this morning. So we are in. It's BMV. This is breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Be very, very careful. This is extremely high risk. We are watching it, and we are in. This is the position here. BMV. What is BMV? Well, let's have a quick look at it. It doesn't really matter to us. The research has been done. Blue Water Biotech is a biotechnology company which engages the research and development of transformational vaccines to prevent infectious diseases worldwide. We've had some good news on it, some good fundamentals. The charts are right, and we are in, and we're up 134% this morning. Are you in with this one? It's very quick. We're going to just once again alert you that this is not financial advice. This is what we are doing with our money. So I'd like your thoughts on it, please. I'm going to give you now the link to vote on this one. It's just gone live a couple of seconds ago. So here it is. Here is the link to Twitter. I'm going to put it now in the chat. If you come into the show, you'll come on the screen. There is the link for you. Let me share the link for you on Twitter. This is the poll we are running. This is our scalp trade of the morning. It is BMV, ticker symbol BMV. And the question I'm asking you is, are you in? I'm in, are you? You can vote, leave your thoughts, leave your comments, retweet it, share it. We are in on Blue Water Biotech, BMV. We're up 127%. Very nice indeed. Another 30%. I will be out on this one. There is the poll running right there. I'm going to give to everybody who's just joined us as well on Rumble and Facebook. So let me just jump into Rumble right now and give you the link for it as well. We are preparing for the FOMC report. There is the link for you on Rumble. We're now going to go into Facebook as well and give you the link to it as well. So everyone's got the information live as it happens. If you like the stream on Facebook, your name will appear on the screen. There is the link in Facebook. Okay, I've done my part, just letting you know that this is very high risk. This is not financial advice. We're looking for another 30% and we'll be out. Welcome everybody on TikTok this morning. BMV is the ticker we are running this morning. We are not giving a sell or a sell order just yet. We're just holding it right now. Okay, it's up 122%. And we're just holding our position. And we can't, of course, do a stop trail loss just yet. But this is very early in the morning. We're going live a lot earlier than normal because of this one. So make sure that you've rung the bell and you don't miss these live trades. Okay, we'll bring you an update of this one later on, and we'll post to you and with a video later and let you know, did we win or lose on this one? Okay, our current success rate is about 80%, so we do pretty well on these. Let me give you the smash the like. There you go. Smash the like, subscribe, and make sure that you ring the bell. Otherwise, you'll not be alerted of this breaking news as it happens. And jump into Twitter as well. I'll see you back later. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, that video will go out at the end of the show. We can take the alert off the screen right now. We are in. Everyone's been alerted. So BMV top of show. Did you just unsubscribe and resubscribe, Mike? Making sure of the alerts. That's what you just did, right? Okay. If anyone is not sure about what I mean by that, I will explain it a little bit clearer for you now. If you're not completely clear of what I mean by that, this is what we mean when we say subscribe and ring the bell, otherwise you miss the alerts. This is it. You click subscribe. You make sure that you've run that. You can unsubscribe and resubscribe again, that you see, and you can click the bell like this. And then once you've set to all, go into your notifications on your device and make sure that YouTube is turned on to notify you, and however you want that to be, a ringtone or a whatever vibration or whatever it is you want it to be. But that's how you do it. Okay, that's how you do it. Just so you know, that's how it's done, and that way you won't miss the breaking news. Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm not in until it breaks $2. Agent Shu, okie dokie. Agent Shu is not in. Well, share me your thoughts, Agent Shu, on Twitter. Go to the poll. I've just given you the link in the chat. Go to the poll and let me know why. And what you think about it, all right? Anyway, we are preparing, of course, for the FOMC report at the same time today, and this is our position. We are up consistently again. We're up 11% now over the last 3 months, which is good. We're up today. New all-time highs on my main account. On my Roth IRA, we're at new all-time highs as well, and the overall balance has broken through $58,000 now. We've trimmed off the top. We've got cash on hand. You can see $3,300 on hand for a pullback, but mainly for me, my objective was to pay for my new computer. So I took the 13% profit on the S&P, which is good, and I've got the money to pay for the computer. That's essentially why I did it. All right. Welcome, everybody. So we're watching Blue Water Biotech. This is our scalp trade of the day. Now, every day at 9:30, we have our world premiere. We have a world premiere today. We're excited about it on our Martyn Lucas channel, our music channel. We're fighting against AI to keep music live. It's being destroyed by AI. Literally now, AI is creating music and destroying AI. It's, live music. It's virtually now impossible to get in now to promote your music. So we're trying to fight that. So we have a world premiere this morning. And I'm going to give you the link. Who is going to be the first person to comment, first person to like. I will reply to all your comments and tag you and pin you and all that kind of stuff as well for your support. So here is the world premiere. You've seen it posted on my Martyn Lucas Twitter account, not the Martyn Investor, but the Martyn Lucas Music one. There is the world premiere in the chat. Who will be the first person to leave comments, likes, and click reminder? That goes live in 2 hours and 15 minutes from now. We take a 7-minute break. Ilya, good morning, Ilya. How are you? Here is the video. It's Big River this morning. Very sad story about the decline in Newcastle. Hopefully you'll enjoy this one. All right, Big River is coming up very, very shortly. There is the world premiere. All right. Who will be the first person to leave a like there? Okay. Well, more about that throughout the morning. Let me give that link to our guests on Facebook as well. Don't forget to tap the like on Facebook and follow me there as well. There is the world premiere. I've just posted it on Facebook for you as well. Okay. Whoops a daisy. I just ended up, what did I just do then? I ended up opening an extra window. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, that's what I meant to do. Right, good. That's done. And my guess on Rumble as well. There is the world premiere for you. All right, join us for that. Our portfolio is up again this morning. Our Roth IRA is up. We're all-time highs again. Very nice indeed. Looking good. Our scalp trade of the day is BMV. Are we going to cut our loss on this one? No, we're still holding it. Let's go to our Roth IRA. There's our position. We're holding it up. It's up at the moment 113%. Go for it, says Ilya. Thank you very much indeed. Love to have you here. Good morning, Husker Dan. Good morning, Husker Dan. How are you this morning? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We've got a scalp alert this morning. Just gone out some moments ago. Here was the alert a few moments ago. BMV, great news buy. We are in. And this is our scalp trade of the day. It was posted at first on Twitter as I started the live stream. And you can go in there and see that information. Prediction for Virgin Galactic today. I don't know. I haven't looked at Virgin Galactic today. Been preparing for the FOMC report, but nothing to report new today. So it's the same news as yesterday. Nothing else added yet. Sorry, Oliver. I can't give you anything. I wish I could, but nothing yet today. There's our scalp trade of the day, BMV. Okay. Good morning, Craig Dimer, Carson with a K. Good morning to you. We've got a scalp trade running right now. We just put the alert out. We are in. We're up 112%. There is the position there. And we are watching it. We'll see how this one pans out. Everybody on TikTok, if you want to be in our scalp trades, if you want to be in our cash giveaways, if you want to be in with the team of traders, investors, know why we make the trades before we make the trades, you are missing out on TikTok. You're only watching my phone. Look at my YouTube channel. If you want to click the profile here, you'll find my YouTube channel. Say, I'm from TikTok and I would like to be in your, to be notified of your scalp trades. I would also, no, not BNV. No, that's not correct. Jump into YouTube now. Links in the profile. It's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. The same name as this channel. Jump on in. I'm live right now. This is my live YouTube channel. Come on in. Links in the profile. You can find it on the all links button through my website or YouTube directly. I'm live right now. Jump on in. I'll give you all the links for the scalp trade. I'll also put you in our cash giveaway. We give away money every day. All the time on our show, we give away money. Why? I like helping people, all right? So jump on in and then you can be part of it. On TikTok, you're not really seeing all the links and you're not talking to the team. All right, okay, let's get straight back to it. We'll take the alerts off right now because we're already in. KC Stout, I'm from TikTok. Everybody welcome KC Stout in. Welcome to you. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man, as voted by Sir Elton John. This is my music world premiere today. Today is Big River, happens in 2 hours from now. Welcome to the show. How are you? What part of the world are you from? We go live up to 10 hours a day. We're trying to become the most honest, real YouTube TV channel in the world. We have members in 18 countries of the world, and 95% of our live viewers are members. It's the highest engagement rate in the world, higher than Mr. Beast on any other channel. We're very proud of that, and we're growing really, really quickly. We go live 10 hours a day. And we've given away $1 million to our members for our charity donations, and we're here to help people. All I want to do is be the most honest person on YouTube and grow the best, most honest, most live channel in the world. KC Scout, where are you from in the world? I answer everyone's questions. I have to focus on the members, of course, but I focus on everyone's questions. Craig Dimer, one of my members. Any news on Rocket Labs? Nothing for you. Nothing this morning to report. Carson with a K. Good morning to you. If your country isn't, your country flag isn't flown, please do become a member, and then you'll forever be the one who flies the flag for your country. We have now countries: Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, and Mexico. Thank you for your help. I watch every day on Twitter. Do you? I'd never realized that. That's great. I didn't know anybody watched me on Twitter. It's the live stream doesn't really get watched. It's just mainly the tweets. But that's very cool. Thanks for joining me on YouTube. Welcome to you from Florida. We've got quite a few people from Florida. KC Stout. I like a good stout in England, and a nice dark ale. Anyway, it's nice to have you here. Welcome to our family. Joel this morning. Now, our scalp trade this morning that we're looking at, we have a success rate of over 80% on them. Is this one. We start researching for you at 3 a.m. with my team. I've got traders, scalp traders, crypto team, all working for me around the clock. My scalp trade team start at 3 a.m. in the morning, and we bring you this. And this is not financial advice. However, what this is, unlike any other YouTube channel, this is all of my money on display for you. I've got no money in the bank. My money in the bank, literally no money in cash, no money in the bank. This is all my money live on the screen for you right now. Let me clear away the scalp trade alert. There is my money in the bank, $3,333.79. That's how I pay my bills with Robinhood, because I earn 4.65. Why would I not? It's the highest deal in the US or anywhere really. Why would I not? If you want my Robinhood referral, just let me know and you'll get free stocks with me today. I get some, you get some, and then I share it out again. I've given away over $1 million on my music channel to our charities over the last few years. All through this. We started at $5,000 2 years ago, and we are now up to a grand total of $58,000. Thank you, Arias Hines, liking the stream on Facebook. Thank you very much indeed. There you go. We have a guest in the channel today. It's KC Stout. Now, Casey, if you want to know more about our scalp trades before we make them, you can talk to my team 24 hours a day. Become a member. The members are members to support the live shows. Live shows don't make any money for me. I just go live up to 10 hours a day because I'm trying to grow a family. And it's the members that support the live shows. But then once you've done that, I give you 20 times back what you put in. There are many, many perks. I go to work for you, including you get a birthday celebration or a 20-minute fundraiser concert where you get all the money. Plus I answer all your questions, make videos for you, you name it. It's there for you. Anyway, welcome everybody on TikTok, Facebook, Rumble, LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever you are this morning. Our scalp trade is out. We are up now 100. The trade is up 132%. We are holding this for another 30%, and then I'll be out. We are preparing for the FOMC report today. I've trimmed off the top. I sold at 13% up on the S&P. This is my account. We've got all-time highs all across the board. We broke through 58,000, started from $5,000, and we're not buying anything. We're just holding and trimming. And that is our strategy for today. We expect either a miss. When I say a miss, I expect a miss this month and review next month. But most important, or even a pause. But most importantly, we're looking for the report at the end. We are looking for the what they say in the meeting. That is the important thing. What I mean by the meeting is, let me just rephrase that. I mean the press conference at the end. That is what's most important. Robin is not available in Canada yet. No, it's not. Welcome, Bill. Welcome to the show. Good morning, everyone. Joel, how are you? For those of you who have just tuned in, we do have a scalp trade alert running. This was the one. It's BMV. Buy. Good news on the stock. Good fundamentals and today and good chart. We are up. It's up 127%. This is the risk. It's high risk. We put out the information earlier, and there we go. Now then, as always, in 2 hours from now, we have our world premiere. Today, the world premiere is Big River. Now, why I'm doing this is I'm trying to fight against AI. AI now is destroying live music. Musicians around the world cannot get their music discovered anymore. So I am no longer doing trending videos. I am doing world premieres and simply letting my family know on my live show. That's it. And I'm just calling it the name of the channel, the name of the song. And if you want to find me, you just search Martyn Lucas Music. That's it. No trending name, no trending thing, just Martyn Lucas Music. Now this is the one today we're putting out. This is Big River. The world premiere is here. I hope you'll all join me. It's when we take a 7-minute break. Yes, we take a 7-minute break after 2 hours of streaming, so I can go to the restroom and have a cup of tea. And while I'm doing that, I'm listening to the music with you. The world premiere today. Be the first person to leave a comment. Today's a story all about the decline of a town in Newcastle. Big River. It's a sad song, this one, but I think you'll enjoy it. Join me for the world premiere, which starts in 2 hours exactly from now. All right, there you go. This is the screen. If you've already gone there, yep, we've already got 6 people liked it. That's better than yesterday. Every day it gets a bit better. We're trying to keep the music live. 2 days ago, it was declared the day the music died. Literally, this is no exaggeration. AI is destroying live music online. All right, people are making false music and putting it out. It's awful. Anyway, the S&P is up. Our scout trade of the day is coming up. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian. Tesla just falling back a little bit. Mullen completely destroyed now, worth absolutely nothing. People have lost all their money with Mullen. It's going to zero. BMV up 130%. Are you in? We are running a poll on Twitter. Let me go and have a quick look at the poll, see what your thoughts are this morning. Are you in this one? Did you take this one from us this morning? Let's have a look. Here is the scalp trade of the morning. It looks like no one's voted. I don't know why. No one's voted, but you have left comments. Let's have a quick look. I like it, but not going to get in until it breaks $2. Looks like a major resistance. If it breaks, it looks like clear to $3. Okie dokie. Might have some offensive comments. Let me show those. No, nothing there. Well, good luck to you, Agent Shu. Good luck. We hope you do well. There we go. Agent Shu's not in this one. So vote on the poll then. If you're not in it, just vote no. I want to get some feedback on these. We measure these every day. We like to see how they're going, who wins, how much you make. So we measure all the time the success of these positions. Anyway, thanks for everyone who retweeted it and commented on it and everything else. Michael Flynn just followed me. That's somebody else. Michael Flynn, welcome to you, Michael Flynn, for following me on Twitter. I appreciate that very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed. Excellent stuff. All right. I asked another question the other day. Can we be the best channel in the world, beat Mr. Beast? Do you remember that? And we've got a poll still running. 2 days left, and yes, we can, 91%, not a chance, 8.3. I like it. I said, yes, we can, or not a chance, and I had a couple of people go, not a chance. Well, I don't ever believe in not a chances. I believe everyone has a chance, so I am committed to that mission, to becoming the best, most honest channel in the world, and I'm never going to give up. All right? Paul Holt has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, so what are we doing this morning? Preparing for FOMC. Of course, we're preparing for it. We've got a precise strategy. We know exactly what we want to do. We are going to cover the live event for you. Where else do you want to be? I will listen in and we'll all discuss at the end, and then it'll be an extended show. So where else are you going to be today other than here? If you go to the main the channel, these are all the latest videos at the top. If you refresh these, you'll see the latest videos we put out. This is a video about my strategy today for the Fed. That just came out 12 hours ago, if you want to check that out. There's the latest charts of Virgin Galactic, the latest false information from Virgin Galactic as well. And if you go on the homepage of the channel, you will see the upcoming live streams, and there it is, right after this show. We will go from here to the world premiere, then back for final trades, and then we will go back to the live event with Fed Jerome Powell. Okay, there we go. That's what's happening today. Now then, weather, not weather. I've no idea what Bill is saying. That isn't me, Martin, on Twitter. I already followed you. Yeah, I don't know why I was thinking that was you. I'm sorry. You're Mike. You're not Mike Flynn, are you? Mike Bruce. Sorry, Mike. I was getting confused. No, that's Mike Flynn, because I saw Mike and recognised your name. Weather, not weather. I have no idea what Bill's saying, but Happy weather to you, I think. I don't know. Okay. Bill, good morning. The S&P is rising. We've already trimmed right at the top, so we're okay with that. Rivian, we've got a bit of a way to go yet. We've got another 7% before I take my money back. Tesla, Mullen. It's not a short squeeze, folks. If you think a short, I can't see this is why anyone would be shorting it down here now. I don't see a short squeeze here. I think this is an absolute scam going to zero. Referring to Agent Shu, whether I'll vote a little later once I confirm whether I'm in or out. I see. Thank you very much, Bill. Now I understand. I'm Mike Flynn on you're Mike Flynn on Facebook. Well, now I'm confused because you're Mike Bruce and Mike Flynn. Okay. That confuses me. Because now I've got a Michael Flynn just followed me on Twitter. So you see what I'm saying? We've got Mike Flynn who's Mike Bruce who's Mike Flynn, but somebody else is called Mike Flynn as well. That's confusing. Anyway, do you think Bitcoin will still go down? Yes, 100%. 100%. My average is 15,000 and I only buy it at 15,000. Absolutely. No doubt about it. That's what I've stood by now, and I'm standing by it. I'm not buying it when it goes up. I'm not listening to BitBoy or Cryptos or Us. They make videos that are designed to get you to watch, to make the money. I make videos designed to build a family of trust. It's nothing. There's no headlines here which gets you to click on it, telling you it's going to go up ridiculous or down ridiculous. If it's not what I am doing with my real money, this is what I am doing with my real money. And we have a team who works with me and researches 24 hours a day. Our scalp trade started at 3 a.m. this morning to bring you this scalp trade. And this is what we're doing now. It's up 126%. We are in. And sorry, don't apologize, Mike. You're entitled to as many names as you want, even though it bloody annoys me. In case you're wondering, folks, I'm Martyn Lucas, which is my real name, everywhere. There's no Martyn Binky Bonk somewhere else. All right. Thanks, Martyn. I'll buy when it goes down. Well, as I say, don't take my word for it. There's a reason, and if you want more specifics on that, exactly why I say that, rather than just it's what I said, I strongly recommend that you look at our charts on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Go to the video playlist. All right, and you'll see the charts on Virgin Galactic, the charts on XRP. We have an in-depth discussion here. We discuss it for 14 minutes, the exact level of XRP and what we think about that. Polygon as well. We discussed it for 11 minutes, just a deep dive into the stock. So, yeah, you might want to have a look at all of that as well. Okay. Now, the overall portfolio is pulling back. That's what we expected, and that's good. That's exactly what I wanted. That's why I trimmed off the top. I've now got $3,333 in cash, ready to buy back a pullback. There you go. It's just trimming off. We've just dropped below our all-time high. We broke a new record this morning of 58,000. Remember, all we're trading here is people's emotions. I buy companies. We're trading emotions. That's it. That's what this is all about. Anyway, this is our scalp trade. If you just tuned in, this was the alert that went out earlier. BMV, great news on the fundamentals and the chart. We bought in. It's up 129%, 127% right now. We are in, and I've gone in. I've got 94 shares of it. So I'm now doubling up my positions each day. Started with 100 and now we're doing 150. The first buy, then I add 50 if it drops 10% to $200. So I'm doubling up, and then if this makes money, tomorrow will be $400, and we just keep doubling it. Rob Brennan, good morning, Martyn. I'm so glad you're back. Rob Brennan, I thought I upset you. The other day, Rob Brennan came in, one of our huge supporters, had the worst of luck with Virgin Galactic, funded our event to Virgin Orbit the other day, last year, one of our most generous and loving and supportive members of our channel. And the other day he came in and said, it's my birthday. And I said, great, let's celebrate your birthday, because that's one thing that we do for the members, okay? And I said, you just need to be a member. And he left. And I thought I'd upset him because he supported us so much. I thought I'd upset you. And but I have to stick to that policy, because if other people see me doing birthdays for people that aren't members, it will create chaos on the channel. So that's why I said it. And I didn't think you'd be upset for a couple of bucks. I thought, you know, but you left, and I've not been able to speak to you for the last few days, so I hope you're okay. I'm sorry if I upset you in any way. It wasn't intended, but I have to stick to that, the members thing. But I'm glad to see you back. I hope you're all well, and I hope everything's fine. But yeah, we wanted to celebrate your birthday, and we couldn't. You disappeared. Anyway, it was a great shame, but I hope you're all right. Our guest from Russia. Welcome, our guest from Russia. How are you this morning? Lovely to see you. Do you own any Tesla? It just seems to keep going up. Yes, I do. You may remember you gave me a Tesla, and I said to you I would never sell it, remember? And I've never have. There is my Roth IRA. There's my Tesla. I'm up 52%. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, no, you didn't upset me. I just had to revise for my exams. All done now, though. Thank God for that. Thank God for that. I've been living under stress now for the last 2 weeks, thinking I upset one of our biggest, one of our biggest supporters to this channel. Not currently a member, guys. Don't get confused. But he was a member for the longest time, and he supported our Kickstarter as well. Anyway, this is our scalp trade. We're still holding it. The information's on the screen. You did birthdays anyway before membership was issued. Yes, I did. I did, Bill. But now there's too many people watching the show. We've now got, we'll be at 10,000 subscribers in a couple of months. And I can't possibly do birthdays for everybody, because otherwise it would be the birthday channel. That's all it would be. It would be just me singing happy birthday all day long. So I have to prioritize the members. That's why I do it. I'm hoping that Robinhood comes to the UK. It's coming this year. And when it does, Senior Polito, make sure that you join me live on my show, because I will give you my referral where you will get free shares. So will I. And a lot of mine goes to support our charities. As you know, we've raised over $1 million on my music channel for our charity. So please be here for that day. It's going to be a big day. But yes, it is. It's going to be phenomenal for the stock. Not massive for the stock initially, but I've said, and I stand by it, that a Robinhood is a 10x, and I'm holding my position 100% 10x. No question about it. I'm holding it for a 10x. Anyway, let's have a look. Our scalp trade today is out. It's Blue Water Biotech. We issued it on Twitter earlier. Where do you post the scalp trade of the day before you get it on Discord? On Twitter. Here is the poll. The moment I decide I am doing it, I post it here. Copy link to tweet. Here is the link. You can go and vote on comment, and then you can follow me on Twitter. There you go. Links are all running across the screen. It tells you all the time where all my links are. All the links are below in the video as well, in the description of every video. Wherever you're watching me, all the information is there. All right. But anyway, Strone, I will look out for you now. Come on to Twitter. Let's see if Strone follows me on Twitter now. You ready? Let's see if he does it. Let's go over to Twitter right now, and let's see if Strone comments and votes on this. All right, Strone, there is the post that you can vote on. And let me go into notifications and see if he's just followed me. Let's have a look. I'm looking for Strone. Steve Martin just retweeted. Pablo just liked. Very nice indeed. Agent Shu. No, I don't see it yet. I don't see it yet. He hasn't done it yet. I'll be chasing him now. I'll be thinking, oh my God, I wish I hadn't mentioned it. All right. There's our Twitter. There's our information. All right. I'll be looking out for that in a minute. Membership killed the music channel. Membership killed. There's no membership on the music channel, Bill. There's no membership on the music channel. None whatsoever. What has killed the music channel is AI. AI has killed the music channel, but we are coming back. And you used to watch all the time, and it's a shame that you stopped doing that, because everyone started to help me, and we got to 4,000 watch hours, and we passed 4,000 watch hours last week. We're now at 4,100. The music channel's coming back again, and now I'm doing these live premieres every day, and I'm just calling them my own name, so people can't find it on YouTube for trending names anymore. They literally have to search Martyn Lucas Music. If you search Martyn Lucas Music, you will find my music, and just go for the latest video. The idea of that is I'm trying to put the human element back into music, because AI is destroying live music now. Literally, it's killing it. And artists all around the world are saying you've got to stop it, because people aren't getting their music discovered or heard or anything. It's terrible. AI is creating its own music. Anyway, can't wait for all my exams to be done. My take-home pay after taxes will go from 2.5 to 7 grand a month. Oh my God. I am very happy for you. That's the opposite for me right now. Currently, I have $4 a week going into my brokerage account. $4 a week, and people often say to me, that can't be right. How you have $4 a week going into your account? How are you up from 5,000 to like 58 grand? Well, I want to share with you. I only put $4 a week. There it is. There's my Robinhood payment. $4 every week. That is it. Into my account. No more, no less. That's all I can afford right now, because I don't earn enough on YouTube yet to be able to increase it. And because I had to buy my computer, that took all my money. That's why I trimmed off the top from the S&P yesterday to pay for my new computer. If you remember, the laptop just could not cope with this level of streaming, so I've now got a MacBook Pro. Sorry, I've now got a Mac Studio, and that 3.5 grand is going all out to pay the computer. It got delivered yesterday. It's arrived. Here it is. There's the Mac Studio. There it is. The M2 Ultra. And this one I've got here is being returned for a full refund. And as you know, I bought the M1 Ultra 6 weeks ago, but I've now got to pay for it in cash, because there wasn't enough money on the interest-free credit from Apple to do two at the same time before they could refund the first one. I'll buy a house and start to invest heavily. Fantastic. Very good luck to you. Do you still need us looping? I thought the pressure was off. Jojo, no, the pressure isn't off, because we're only just at 4,000 watch hours. To get my music channel to continue to grow, we need people now to continue watching. But if looping is too much, the purpose is I'm bringing out a song every day. So you only need to watch this song. But yeah, if you loop this song, and the more you watch, the better. The more you watch, the better. But I am now on 4,000 hours. But to get my channel to survive and hopefully grow, then at least watch the premiere every day and share it. You know, because the only way people will discover, look, I used to use like trending terms, just Martyn Lucas Music. That's the search term now. So no one knows what that is other than you. That's why I need you to watch it, like, comment, and then share. Good old-fashioned sharing. Just letting the world know, like it used to be years ago, like when the Beatles, you know, people bought the record, told their friends, and then they grew a fan base. That's it. Nothing. It's not going to trend on the algorithm. The algorithm isn't going to help me. I'm going right back to old school, just bringing out a song every day and hoping that you'll search for Martyn Lucas, hoping that you'll watch and share it. That's it. That's my strategy. Cool. I'll just keep a session looping each day. Thank you so much, Jojo. That's massive. Thank you. I am looping the shorts playlist. Nice one, Eric B. Yeah, we're trying to get to 1 million views in 13 days. 13 days is the birthday. And we're not quite, we're about a week, 10 days behind that target. I don't think we're going to make it unless everyone watches the shorts playlist. In case you're wondering what I'm talking about, we're trying to get to 1 million views on our second anniversary. And the analytics is telling me I'm going to get there a couple of weeks after that point. So I'm trying to accelerate it so I can drink and get drunk on my birthday. So there is a shorts playlist for this channel, and it's got 1,015-second videos. If you loop that, if you just let that play, we might just do it. But we need about 8,000 views a day. And we're getting about 4,000 views a day. So we're about, as I say, 2 weeks behind. Okay? All right, that's where we're at. This is our scout trade of the day. Let me see who's joined us this morning. Welcome to everybody. Okay, it's time to do some housework. You ready? We've got a good number watching, but everyone's got lazy. 42 watching right now, 43. We need 40 likes. Come on, guys. If you smash the like button, it will share it out to more people. The FOMC report is today. We're preparing for it. We know exactly what we want to do. There's 41 watching. Let's get 40 likes in 35 seconds. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. 19. Let's at least get 20. 21. There we go. There you go. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you so much. There you go. That'll do. I'll get rid of the timer. There you go. We've got 40 minutes to go. So yeah, 40 minutes to go before the bell goes. When does the analytics say you'll overtake Mr. Beast? Doesn't. It doesn't. What I am trying to do, let me clear the screen a minute. What I am trying to do is I am trying to become the most honest, real, live channel on YouTube TV. YouTube now is becoming a TV station. You know that, right? And that's why I broadcast in 4K. That's why I built this TV studio. I'm ahead of the game. I'm trying to create a TV show. Okay? And I want to be the most honest, real TV show in the world, where we go live all the time, 10 hours a day at the moment, up to 10 hours. We're hoping to go 24 hours a day stream with other people coming in, doing guest spots on my channel. The idea is this channel will eventually be 24 hours a day, and it'll always be real. Every word will be true. There will be not any promotional hype or drama. Everything will be real. You will experience every human emotion. We've had the saddest of occasions, the happiest of occasions. If I lose all my money, I lose all my money. If I make $1 million, I make $1 million. And I think people want that. People want something they can believe 100% is real, genuine. It's there to help people. It's there to support people. And one of the things I love more than anything else as I grow is being able to help you. I love that. I cannot wait for when I get to 100,000 subscribers, and we're on target for 1.5 years to do that. 100,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, and up it goes, to be able to help other YouTubers. For example, we've got the Queen of Self-Braiding here right now. She's got a YouTube channel. She'll tell you what I do. I can't wait for the day when I say, here we go, everybody subscribe to Queen, and she gets 20,000 subscribers in 5 minutes. These are the sort of things I want to do, that I've committed to doing. And that's, I think, what will make our channel unique, right? The fact I've raised $1 million for charities on my music channel is pretty good, right? And I've shown you the checks. You've seen the checks on the screen. I've shown you all the checks I've donated, loads of them. Anyway, so we're going to do it. Mr. Beast is focusing on being the biggest. I'm focusing on being the best and the most honest and the most real. So it's a different strategy. But, you know, I know how big he is. I know how successful he is. He's incredible. His work ethic is off the charts. But I've got the same work ethic. The difference with me is it's just me on my own. Anyway, we took our profits from C3 AI yesterday. We trimmed off the top. In fact, we sold all our position yesterday. I decided to take 37% one day and 37% another day. So I did very well on AI, very well indeed. Our scout trade of the day is still running. We are still in. We're not selling it yet. It's up 117%. We're waiting to see what happens when the bell goes. At the moment, we're right on a wash. The stock itself is up 117. Okay. An hour and a half to go for our world premiere. Have you bought your ticket yet? It's free. You know what I mean. Have you gone over there yet? Here's the world premiere in the chat. And all I ask is you watch it with me live. It's when I take a 7-minute break. I'll go live for 2 hours with you without any breaks. And then I'll take a 7-minute restroom break. There it is. There's Big River today. The story of a rundown town in Newcastle. And I hope you'll join me for that. And let's see if anyone has already clicked on it. We've got 6 likes. Mike's the first person to leave a comment. Excellent stuff. Thank you. What are your thoughts in investing in property? Well, I own property. I've got my own house, paid off the mortgage. It's the best thing you can buy. You can make more money on property than you can on the stock market. It's way better. I just can't be bothered to. I don't want to flip houses. I've got no interest in it. If you've got no interest in it, it's not right for you. But yeah, seems scary now. Interest rates are so high. No, it shouldn't be. It should be the opposite. Because if you wait for the interest rates to come down, and they will next year, they will start to come off by 0.25%. The summer of next year, they will start to come down, and then the house prices will rocket up because everyone's waiting to buy. So I don't do that. I always buy when no one's buying. I always sell when no one's selling. I do the opposite, because the moment the interest rates come down, up goes the house. How long are you going to buy the house over? 25, 30 years? Who cares? Who cares what the interest rate is today? And remember, interest rates went to 13%. They're not high. They're not high by historic standards, and they've peaked, and they'll be coming down. So why would you not buy now? Now is the right time to buy. If you wait for the interest rates to come down, the house price is going to rocket up because everyone's waiting. Everyone's waiting like you to buy a house. So the moment you want to buy a house, the house prices will go up, and it will go up a lot more than the interest rate is going to save you by going down. So I would be buying a house now. I don't flip houses. I've got no interest in it. It's a great idea. You make more money doing that than the stock market. However, I don't want to do it. But I'd always buy a house. I own a house. I'm not renting it. I just hold it. Anyway. Buy fixer-uppers, cheap renovation done, sell for profit. Absolutely. It's the best way to make money. But it's a lot of hard work, and it doesn't interest me. I haven't got the time for it. I'm more focused on this. I can't do this and be a house flipper, can I? I was thinking I'd save up until I have enough to buy a cheap property for cash and then use the rental income to help save up for the next one. No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't wait until you got cash. I wouldn't wait until you got cash. Remember, you never pay tax on debt. And if you're using debt to buy an investment, then on a property, then it's not a bad idea. Using debt to use margin is whatever, or buy a car is a bad idea. But to buy a house, debt is not a bad thing, and it'll increase your credit limit, your credit score, which means you'll get a better position. And I know what I'm talking about when it comes to that. I've got a 999 score in the UK on Experian, which is the highest you can get. And I've got about an 830 credit score in the US, and which is higher than 98% of Americans. And I've only been in America 7 years. And it's not because I've got money. I haven't. This is all the money I've got, right? It's not because of that. It's because I know how the credit system works. And most people don't understand that. There's lots of things you can do to improve your credit score without having any money at all. You don't need money to get a good credit score. But when you get a good credit score, you get a better interest rate. When you get a better interest rate, you save more money. When you save more money, you make more money. All right? So I wouldn't be waiting to buy a house. I'll be buying a house now, because thinking 6 months ahead, like the stock market is 6 months ahead. That's why the stock market is up now. Not because it should be, because it knows in 6 months the economy is going to improve. So people are buying now, which means the stocks go up. That's what's happening. I got to 35,000 yesterday. Let's go, guys. Hey, Raphael, nice one, mate. Nice one. Well done indeed. Half an hour to go before the bell. Just over half an hour to go today before the bell. We are going to cover the FOMC report live. This is it. Oh, no, it's not. That's the video. That's the video. I've got to let that play now, otherwise I'll destroy my own video. I've got to let that play now. Let me go over to here for a minute and let my video just play out. It's only a couple of minutes long. If you click on a video and click straight off, you damage it. So I like to let it run through. Because if you click on a video and then get straight out of it, it tells the algorithm you didn't like the video, right? Makes perfect sense. Doesn't it? Okay. Robinhood have got a glitch there. Look, that's better. There we go. Now then, scroll down. This is our scalp trade of the day, BMV. This is our scalp trade of the day we're running. We put the alert out earlier. Yeah, the button of the market was in January. Oh, the bottom. The bottom actually was, in December, just before January. I said the bottom of my portfolio was in December. I said the bull market is now starting, and it did. And yesterday, or 2 days ago, Bank of America said the bull market has started, and they always go back 6 months because they look back and go, for 6 months we've been up, 2 consecutive quarters. That means we're in a bull market. Banks don't make any predictions like that. They don't have any foresight. They just look at the chart and go, it's up. That's why I wouldn't invest in a bank. There's no imagination, and they take too much risk and don't give me any money. So, yeah, there's no point investing in banks. Bank of America's earned you 5% in 5 years. What's the point of that? I mean, really, what is the point of that? Anyway, I want to say I love you guys. We will chance our family lives. We can do it. We will change our family lives. That's nice. I want to say I love you guys. We love you too, mate. This is a real, genuine family. My commitment is to you. We all are here for each other. Absolutely right. Right, that video's finished now. I can come back to my to my actual account. This is the upcoming live stream. I'm going to give everybody the link for this. Fight Channel was excited because he was the first person to give me a like. Look, this is the. Oh, hang on. Where have I gone? There we go. Wrong channel. Here is the FOMC report. All right, there we are. There it is, the FOMC report. And once you've, this video you're watching right, this live stream now will take you directly to the world premiere of Big River, and Big River will take you directly to the FOMC report. So all you got to do is watch, just follow me throughout the day, and you won't miss anything. Okay. This is our scalp trade of the day, BMV. We put this alert out earlier. Nothing has changed. Just reminding you, we put this alert out earlier. It's high risk. Do not follow me. This is what I am doing. If you want to know why we do these things, follow me on Twitter. And then, of course, you can go to Sensei Crypto for even more information about why we do these before we do them. Okay, where we get our information from, how we make these decisions. Okay. Good morning, Henrik from Denmark. Husker, I just signed up for the membership on Discord. Husker Dan, what Discord channel is that? If you want if you want to become a member of my channel and get all the perks and benefits and get all the best deals with Sensei Crypto, I'm going to give it to you now. Here is the invitation to join me. My members always get the best prices. So become a member of the YouTube channel and you'll get the lifetime discount to Sensei Crypto and all the other things that he does. And what you have to do then is use my discount code. The discount code is, here we go. This will get you all the best benefits, all the best prices for everything that we do. My members always get the best deals for everything. The discount code, oh, hang on, let me put discount code. Discount code for Sensei Crypto is Lucasades. It's the name of my, it's the hashtag that we use for our trending videos. I say trending videos, we don't get that many trending videos, but we're hoping that we will one day. Discount code Lucasades. All right. I'm following now. All right, let me go and check. Not that I don't believe you. I just want to click on and like and say thank you very much. Let me go over. Let me go over here to Twitter. Let me have a look. Let me go into notifications. Justin Violet, Strone, and whoa, look at that! I got 4 followers in that's the best ever. Ooh, 4 followers in a couple of minutes. Justin Violet just followed me. Cool Comfort Service Heating and Air. Who's that there? Cool Comfort Service Heating and Air. I like that one. HVAC company. Brilliant. And also Strone followed me as well. There you go. Hey, we're trying to get to 1,000 followers. 780 now. We only started this a few months ago. So I'm quite chuffed with that. Anyway, brilliant. Have I got anyone to comment back to? I always comment back and support all of my members. So if you want to grow on social media, that's another one of our perks. I always engage with you on social media. Okay? I'm not following on Twitter. Why's that then? Why's that? Any reason why that is? There you go. There's the link there. Martyn Investor. And just in case you don't know, if you are trying to support the music as well, when you go to me here on Twitter, right, Martyn Investor, right underneath is Martyn Lucas. This is the music. So if you're actually interested in my music, this is just the music, then you can follow me here on my music channel. I have 2. I actually do have 2 verified accounts, Martyn Lucas for the music and back to Martyn Investor. So if you want to follow both, they are very different. One is the investment, one is the music. Now you might say, but you post the music on the investor. I only post the premiere because it's part of our investor show. And I think the members want it because they are actually watching the show. Otherwise, how I write songs and stuff like that and other bits and pieces, that is just on Martyn Lucas. So I understand that's why I have 2 accounts. They are 2 different audiences, even though I have a lot of the same people. I do understand it's a different channel. You don't put the news on the music channel. You don't put the movies on the news channel, right? But anyway, there we go. Thank you, Strone, very much. Has the crypto challenge changed your views on crypto generally? Yes, it has. I've learned a lot about crypto with Sensei Crypto. I've done very well on it. I've made some really good, well, I say good videos, you decide. Some very informative videos on XRP, Polygon. I've made a lot of money on Polygon. I've made money on XRP. We've given you the full breakdown of the charts. All that's on the homepage. Just go to the videos tab and you can see all of that. So yeah, I've learned a lot, but only 5% of my portfolio. That's it. Don't do margin on stock, only if you day trade. The interest will kill your portfolio. I used to do margin. I had $50,000 of margin. I'm not in it anymore. Thanks. I'm joining now on YouTube. Okay, here is the membership. And the moment you go become a member on YouTube, you get a big celebration. Lots of stuff happens when you become a member on YouTube. There is the link right there. Husker Dan, welcome to you. Okay. S&P. Virgin Galactic is up today. We're still in our scalp trade. Are we going to take a loss on it? Let's have a look at it. We're still holding it. Eric B. Husker Dan wants to join. Once he does, my welcoming committee will join you over on Discord because you get loads of perks and benefits. And Raphael just followed me. Raphael, if you want to grow on Twitter, comment to my post, and my members, I comment back to all of you. So Raphael, I will tag you in my viral posts. I will comment to you. I will like what you do. I will support you in any way I can. So don't just follow me. Actively, if you want to grow, actively get engaged, and I will help you in any way I can. That's my full-time job. That's what I do. Okay. Lucid, get off that one. Blue Water, come on, Blue Water. Let's see. We want 30% out of this. WET's moving pre-market. We've got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. We are preparing for the FOMC report. We know exactly what we want to do. I hope you do. Let's see how we've grown today. Let's see what's getting watched the most. Of course, FOMC, Virgin Galactic flight yesterday. Did you miss that? We had a Virgin Galactic flight yesterday. If you want to get the information, White Knight was in the air yesterday. That's just coming up to 1,000 views yesterday. That was important information. We also have, what else have we got going on right now? The false information for Virgin Galactic. That's still trending. That's what's going on. How have our subscribers moved this morning? 416. Oh! Hell! 6 subscribers in 5 minutes. Bloody hell. We're getting faster and faster every day. We might make 10,000 before I thought we were. It's accelerating. It's accelerating. Really, really exciting. Right, Husker Dan. We've got time to give you all your benefits. Would everybody please welcome Husker Dan in? Husker Dan, you are a brand new member to our channel. You've gone for bronze level. Would you please, everyone, welcome him in. Put your city and country in Husker Dan. And if it's not one of these flags, we will fly the flag for you. Okay, now then, you get a blue badge which will turn green, yellow, and gold.
Husker Dan has become a member.
Thank you, mate. Brilliant. You're now part of the family. Why you become a member is because I have committed my life, and I have, to serving you and creating the best YouTube TV channel in the world. One day it'll be 24 hours a day, live all the time, the most real. We make nothing from live shows. It's the live members that support this channel. In return for doing that, I then give you back 20 times back. I know how much you pay, and I want you to get back more than you put in. Not only do I go live, and some people say that's enough, that's worth the money, right? That's worth 10 times the money. But I go 20 times because I will now reply to every one of your comments here and on YouTube comments. If you ask for a poll to poll the team, I will do it. If you want me to review a stock and back test it, I will do it. If you want me to make videos on stock, if you want me to buy shares in a stock, if you give me a super chat and say, hey, there's 10 bucks, I want you to make a video right now and buy Tesla, I will make a video, promote it, post it, and it promotes and advertises the stock. I will do that for you on any stock you want. Okay. If you you can now also have, for you or a family member, the day before, the day of, or the day after, you can have a birthday celebration. People pay me $500 to make birthday videos in my TV studio. You get that now for free as a bronze member. This is my TV studio. Behind me, it's waiting to celebrate birthdays. Okay, and you can have that for you or a family member the day before, the day of, the day after. If you ever go silver, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser where you'll get all the money. If you're a registered charity, all the money will go to your registered charity, and no fee, no charge. And also, you can talk to the team 24 hours a day on Discord. And you can call in live to the show, know of all my trades, and I will tag you and comment to you on all my social media. Okay, so here is Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through because we have the highest level of security. In fact, we have the second highest. The next highest would be I ask for a phone number, and I thought that's going too far, so I don't do that. But here is, other than that, we do everything. Here is the Discord link. Once you are in Discord, our welcoming committee, normally Mike and Ed, will welcome you in, and you can't talk for 10 minutes, but once you can, go into the welcome all screen. There's Discord. You may already be in. I think you mentioned it earlier. Look at that. Oh, Husker Dan. Husker Dan has already done it. That was quick. Right, Husker Dan in YouTube, confirm that is you. Eric B, could you do me a favor as you're always there first, when you welcome someone in, can you tell them to reply to them, click on reply if they get in first like this, or you see them, tell them to confirm it's them on YouTube, because that might speed the process up if you're already there. All right. So Husker Dan, is that you on YouTube? I need you to say, I know it sounds obvious, but we get people who want our inside tips. And when I say inside tips, it's not inside trading. It's it's inside information, because it's the information that we post before we share it publicly, right? That's what I mean by that. We do our research at 3 a.m. And if you want that, you can talk to the team, but I need to upgrade you to do that. So just confirm it's you, Husker Dan, on YouTube, and I will upgrade you. I just need you to do that. I'll give you a like. I'm sure it's you. I just have to do it this way for security. That's me. Thanks. You've already done it. Excellent. Right. The first thing I do is change the nickname. I don't need to. The reason why I do that is we know everybody is. They have the same name on YouTube as they have here. Now, Husker, you will get loads of people message you calling themselves Martyn Lucas with my logo. They are not me. They are not me. I never message anyone. And how you know they're not me is if you look at my name, it's always in gold because I'm the owner. Everybody else will be in white. I don't know why you're yellow today. I'm just trying to think why you're yellow. I've never seen anybody in yellow. Why are you yellow? That's interesting. I don't know why that is. Anyway, I've never seen that before. Anyway, I'm going to give you a roll. Oh, I know why you're yellow. Because you're a premium member. You signed up for my Discord as well. Wow, thank you very much indeed. Let me give you the role of YouTube member. This is the important one. This one here. All right, YouTube member. This is the important thing here. Okay, YouTube member. You can now see, and I'm also going to add you as a friend, Lucid Program. Are you a member, Lucid? Have I upgraded your account yet? Lucid Program. Are you a member? I haven't upgraded you. Are you a member on YouTube? If you are, tell me and I can upgrade your account. Lucid Program. We're not friends and I haven't upgraded your... You can't see any of these channels yet. You can't see any of the members' channels or the broadcast lounge. But Husker Dan, I'm now going to make you a friend. That's the reason I do that is so people know not to friend people that are not my friends. That's why. Welcome, Husker Lucid. He's giving us a wave. Yeah, if you are on YouTube as a YouTube member, I will upgrade you. Anyway, Husker Dan, you can now see every morning we go into the breakfast bar. This is the breakfast bar. Good morning, everyone. We have pictures and we have breakfast and we have this is our breakfast lounge where everyone comes in the morning and has a conversation. So come in there, general chit chat. Please do keep the conversations in the right channels, please. You want to know something? Ask the family. Crypto news, share it in crypto news. Stock news, share it in stock news. If you want me to put something on the show, links for YouTube. If you want to suggest some information for me to share, you want to be a researcher for me, be part of the team, do that. Then you got Moose's tips. He's a professional trader. He has clients and he takes care of. He puts tips in. Sensei's crypto tips. Ed Nevius's education. It's all there for you. Also, I'm opening up the broadcast lounge. You can now phone in. You can be here on video or just a call and call into the show. It's where you can ask me a question, speak to the team, ask everybody a question or just say hello or whatever it might be. But that's now open for you as well. All right. Okay. Let me just come out of there. Make sure that I've... so Lucid Program, I think he's over on... no, I thought for a moment he was on... is he in BWV? Yes, I am. Answering your question over there on Rumble. But yeah, Lucid Program, if you're a member, let me know and I'll upgrade you because I recognize your name, but you're not actually a member here on the channel. Anyway. Yes, Nelson, it's Portuguese. Yes, we have a Portuguese member. Yes, he is Portuguese. There's the flag of the countries that we have in our show. Yeah. And got 3 fake Martyn Lucas messages requested on Discord yesterday. Just keep your eyes out, everyone, for the bots. Yes, please do. I will never, ever message you. Okay. I am usually in Rumble. Oh, there he is. Yes, I thought so. Lucid Program. There he is. I can't friend you on YouTube, on Discord, and I can't upgrade you to a YouTube member so you can see all the channels and talk to everybody and call in and so on, because you're not a YouTube member. So I'm glad you couldn't clarify that, because I recognized the name. I just wasn't 100% certain. Anyway, we got 10 minutes to go. This is our portfolio. We are still in BWV. This is our scalp trade of the day. This is when we put the alert out. We bought this one. It's up 110%. We are holding our position. And we're looking for a 30% scalp trade on this one, a 30% more on it, and I shall be out of it. This is our overall position. We're preparing for the Fed report today. You can see now why I trimmed off the top. I trimmed right off the top. I've now got $3.5 grand in cash to buy the dip or pay off my computer, whichever comes first. Okay. Rivian, Tesla, 50% now, dropping off today. No worries. Mullen, rubbish, scam of the year. I understand why it's a scam. Not just saying that. Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Ripple, down today, 50. Polygon, up 1. J&J, up 0.66. Right, that's interesting. It's going up. Safe money. Remember I said to you that tomorrow the safe money will go back into J&J. There it is. I predicted that yesterday. We've had a huge run. People get very, very greedy. AI, down. I sold it at the top, made a 38% profit twice. So actually my second profit was actually 78%. I made a very good return on C3 AI, massively overbought. It's not worth the money it was selling for. Even though it might pop up, it wasn't worth it. I sold it. And the safe money, no surprise, has gone today into Coca-Cola. Why? Safe dividends ends today, or is it, I think, tomorrow. That's why Coke's going up, and so is J&J. That tells you that some people feel that we could be in for a surprise today. Raphael, short Tesla. I don't do any shorts. It's not my thing. I don't do it. Hi all. Good afternoon, everyone. Crag, good afternoon. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Our scalp trade of the morning was BWV. We're running it right now. We're still in. It's on our poll on Twitter. Let me go and see if anyone's voted to that. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick look. We've got 3 votes now. Most of you aren't in on this one. This is our scalp trade. 2 out of 3 are not in it. We had 3 votes. I'm in it, but I don't vote. I can't vote. All right. But 2 out of 3 are not in this one. Okie dokie. We might cut our losses. And that's fine to do so. Don't mind doing that. It's dropping. We might take, okay, a scalp alert now. We are looking at this. This is an alert now. It is dropping. We are losing money on it now. We are 80% successful on our scalp trades. I'm still holding it. We've got 8 minutes to go. It's up today 96%. I'm not adding to my position. Keeping a close eye on it. Are we going to remain in this one? I've not got a stop loss, but I am watching it. There's a number I would be interested in. This is BWV. It's running now on our scalp alert. We are in. I bought 94 shares. Even if I took a $50 loss, I would still be up on my scalp trades. So I'm measuring this. So far I'm losing 22 bucks. I did more today. I added 150 rather than adding 160 rather than the 100. I started to double up. Well, of course, my losses will be greater, but my profits will be as well. We're watching it. I'm in contact with Ed. I'm in contact with my team at Sensei Crypto and Ed Nevius. So we're watching it. We're keeping an eye on it. If you've just tuned in, we are on a scalp trade alert. Smash the like button. It really, really help. That text on the screen is directly to Ed. Ed is doing the work behind the scenes. Sensei Crypto as well. This is my team. If I get any alerts, that will come immediately on the screen, immediately to me. I'm also making my own judgments as well and other research going on. So we've got a team of people working on it. And we've got 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Tesla going back up again. Yeah. Tesla was profit taking this morning. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic. It's going to be a very volatile day. Of course, it's the FOMC report and we're reporting it live. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes on the clock. There it is. Ready to rock and roll. You need to be calm today. No emotion at all. Stressless. Relaxed. That's what you need to be today. It's going to be a very fast moving day. A lot of money is going to change hands. So just be very careful of that. BWV. Yes. It's what my tweet says. You are kidding me. I've made a mistake in my tweet. I have. I don't think I can edit that. No, it's too long now. I'm going to remove the post because I've misspelt it. Delete. Thank you very much, Ed, for pointing that out to me. I misspelt it in Twitter. I've just removed it. We don't want incorrect information. Thank you very much for noticing that. We're watching it. 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. Thank you, Eric B, for that information. We've got 75 watching right now. We are running a scalp trade. If you've just tuned in, please smash the like button. It really would help. We've got a really good audience this morning. Welcome to all of you. We're getting ready for our FOMC report. We are covering it live. We've got our world premiere as well. And we've got 3 minutes to go. BWV downtrend, says Daniel. Well, we're still holding it right now. We're watching it very, very closely. We are on a scalp trade. We are talking to our team. And this is right on the wire now. Yes. Robinhood are delisting some assets as well. It's a good opportunity, though, for Polygon. I bought a 38% discount. We're watching very closely. I'm right on the button. Remember, anyone can make money. The hard part is to keep it. The hard part is to keep it. And I'm consistently up. Overall, I have less than 1%, 0.01 probably, in scalp trades. They're my lottery tickets, and I am 80% successful on those. But it's all about protecting your money and not losing money. You can make it up again somewhere else. And if you're prepared to take a loss, that's fine. You can post a loss. And remember, in my Roth IRA, I pay no taxes either way anyway. And that's where I do my scalp trading. eToro, I hate it. It's rubbish. I tested it. I hate it. Customer service is rubbish. It's rubbish. Not even close to Robinhood. I tried it all. I've tried them all. Started with Barclays and Lloyds and Merrill Lynch and all of them. Robinhood's far superior. That's why I buy shares in Robinhood. Not just use it. I actually own it. It's one of my biggest positions too. Ed, what do you think of this one? Ed's on the screen. That's Ed's text directly to me. Ed, have you got any thoughts on it? Are you cutting it loose yet? What do we think of this one now? We're watching it closely. Right. It's with oops, a daisy, I missed the bell. The bell is sponsored by Sensei. All right. We go. And so your order will default to a market order dismiss. Okay. Right. We're holding the clock, the bell. I apologize for that. I was paying too much attention to my clock there. There we go. Let me get rid of that. We are good. Let's go back to our main positions. Sorry, I was paying more attention to my scalp trade, and I actually forgot what I was doing then for a moment. So I apologize for that. Let's go back to our main positions as we prepare for the FOMC today. The S&P is trimming back. We trimmed off. We took $3,000 out of it. Let me go back to BWV just a minute. We're still holding it. We're still holding that. Let me just check a couple of things. Right, this is our position now. Just to share with you, I sold the top of the S&P yesterday. I've got $3,300 in cash for the dip that will come today. No matter how good the market is, we'll get surprises. We'll always get surprises, not on the announcement, but at the press conference afterwards. So I sold off the top, and that was the right thing to do. You can see that. There's my blue water. We're still holding. It's now starting to trend up. I haven't let it free yet. There's my overall balance. We hit 58,000 this morning as an all-time high. So we're just off our all-time high. Blue water takes a bit of bravery right now. AI is down. I sold all my AI last night. I sold my AI 38% and 38% twice. So I did a 75% profit on the second amount. I sold that at the top. That's been done. The overall portfolio is going down. Fantastic. That's exactly what I planned for. There it is. I sold right at the top of the S&P. Blue water, I'm still in, and it's going up. I'm holding it, which is good. Very, very good. So it's going exactly to plan. Keep on going down. I've got 3,300 to buy it back. Perfect. If everyone could smash the like button now, this is everything that I predicted this morning is going exactly as planned. Smash the like button, share this video to more people. We go live up to 10 hours a day. My team starts at 3 a.m. in the morning researching for me. And so far, our 80% on our scalp trades is intact. If we get this one right, we'll be up to 82%. And we're up 98% at the moment. We're holding it. We're holding it. The S&P is going down, which is exactly what we planned for. Let's go. There we go. Down she goes. Keep on going. I'll buy it back at another 1%. Rivian, down she goes. Tesla, yep. Not selling Tesla though. Mullen's going to zero. I've said this. It's a complete scam. I can't tell you why because I don't want to get myself in trouble, but I know it is. There you go. It's going to zero. Blue Water, we're still holding it. Lucid, Apple, yep. All the big caps selling off. I bet the safe money's gone up. There it is. Coca-Cola, exactly as predicted. The safe money, yep, is going up as predicted. There we go. No, not Raphael. Not space is positive. J&J, my safe stocks, my insurance policies are going up. There we go. They are going up. So that makes perfect sense to me today. Where the markets are going. Perfect. XRP is down. Polygon I hold is flat. Bitcoin we know is going down to $15,000. I'm not buying it until it does. Tilray is collapsing again. We had a little jump yesterday, but it was rubbish. Robinhood is my 10x stock. I'm holding it. IonQ. I'm out of it right now. Rio and Meta. Okie dokie. Perfect. Perfect day. Perfect day so far. BWV. I'm on the edge of cutting this because I can make more money somewhere else now. How many Tesla shares do you have? I have 16. I have, 16 shares. And if it pulls back, I will take it up to 20 shares. BWV, Blue Water, still holding there. MSK really depends on the amount of equity you have in your account. I'm a Platinum Plus member on Tizro. Assigned you a personal account manager. The guy assigned to me has been fantastic. Everyone's experience is different. I just think it doesn't compare. But you've not got Robinhood, have you? So you can't compare it. When I say something's rubbish, it's because I've tried like 20 others, and for me, it's rubbish compared to Robinhood. However, you've not had the chance to check. I think you're from the UK. In fact, I know you're from the UK. Right then. Okay. Blue Water, BWV, we're still holding it. Now, if I do cut my losses, it's not because I don't think it's going to go up. I see greater opportunities in other places. I can use my money to buy the S&P now because we are dropping on that. See, I sold it at the top. I sold it for I think it was 404. Virgin Galactic, I'm not touching that. I've got enough. Rivian, Tesla. Yeah, I want to buy Tesla when it goes down 5%. To take me up to 20 shares. Mullen, it's going to zero. BWV, I'm still in. Starting to move. No Robinhood in the UK, no, but it's coming in the summer. And when it does, if you watch me live on my show, I will give you the referral. We'll all get free shares. And a lot of my stuff goes to charity anyway. So you're helping everybody and helping yourself. So smash the like button. We've got 84 watching. Let's see if we can get 80 likes on the show. Let me put a minute on the clock. This would be really great if we can. Can we get 80 likes? We've got 84 watching. Look, 84 watching, 85 now. This is we're preparing for the FOMC. 40 likes. Come on, let's get to 80. Just tap me on the head. Bum 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 bum. Tap me on the head. Bum bum bum. There you go. Let's get to at least 50. There's 84 watching. Come on, we can do it. 84, 85, 85, 40. If you smash the like button, it shares it out to more people. Otherwise, I think we've got a lot of bots watching us anyway. Let's get rid of that. I don't want to focus on that too much. But thank you guys for doing that. I appreciate you very much indeed. When you like the video, it shares it out to more people. Right, okay. Blue Water, still holding. This is our scalp trade of the day. If you've not joined us this morning, we posted this on Twitter. We start researching at 3 a.m. There's our scalp trade. We have not got out. I'm about to. It needs a push. There we go. Stop at 140. Stop at 145. Out. We've now got an alert to get out of the stock. Ed has got out. He's given the get out. I am still holding it. I have my team of researchers, and then I have my own thoughts on the stocks as well. We all make our own decisions. Ed is out. I am still holding. BWV. I am watching it. I am still in. That's okay, Ed. As long as we're making money overall, that's all we care about. It doesn't matter. This would have increased us to 82%, but if this is a loss, we're at 80% now. We'll drop a couple of points, maybe like 78. So I'm not too worried. I'm still in anyway. Good morning, Mika Flemons. Good morning to you. We're preparing for the FOMC. This is our scalp trade of the day. We trimmed off the top from the S&P. We took some money out. We've now got $3.5 grand in cash. Virgin Galactic, we're doing nothing with it right now. We're just holding it. Tesla, there was no data yesterday released from the flight. I checked and I asked, and they declined to comment. Mullins going to 0. BWV, we're still in, still holding. It's up today 87%. We're looking for an exit. Lucid going down. It's not worth anything. It's going private. Peter Rawlinson knows it. He pays himself way too much money as a CEO. Insane amounts of money. They're stripping the company of all the money, and Peter Rawlinson's going to end up owning the company with his Saudi friends, and it'll be private, and the shareholders will get nothing. Amazon, come back up. McDonald's, Safe Money. There you go. There's the fear. Safe Money and J&J is getting all the money today. That's why I'm in those stocks, and they're doing very well. C3 AI, I sold out, made 38%, another 38%, made about 70% on my second trade. I'm out of that stock now. It's overvalued. Everyone's getting a bit carried away with AI. They think if you buy AI, it's like when the Bitcoin exploded. If you buy AI, you're going to become a gazillionaire in 5 minutes. Tilray, rubbish at the moment. Robinhood's a 10x. I'm holding it. Back to BWV. Still in. Virgin Galactic. Yeah. There's my brokerage position. There's my Roth IRA position. It's whether I feel I can make more money somewhere else. That's the most important thing. All right. This scalp trade for me is now starting to look weak. $148. Ed, what's your thoughts on it? Text me on the screen. Your texts are on the screen. What is your thoughts right now, Ed? What are you seeing? What are you thinking now? Looking at that chart from your perspective. If you text me now, it'll appear on the screen. Everyone will see your text. Ed is out of it. I am still in. He got out at 145. Took a small loss. I'm at 149. It's up 88%. I'm going to move on even if I'm at a loss because my time is worth more than the trade right now, and I can focus on something else. So for me, it's a slightly different perspective. Tilray is rubbish, yeah. Simon put the flag up the pole when he sold when the shares were down, when he diluted when the shares were down, and also the board infighting, the board are selling stocks. He said he's not going to sell, but I think he will. So that if he sells, the stock will collapse and it will go bankrupt. Okay, everybody will be out. It'll be worth nothing. So that's where Tizro is right now. Okay, blue water. Let me see if Ed. Let me know. What's your thoughts? He's already out on it at 145. It's weak. It's running out of momentum. I've held a bit longer. It's holding that little bit of support there at 141. But it's getting weaker. We're going to give up on this one because we can move on and find something else. And remember, no emotion, excitement and drama, but no emotion, because if you sell a stock, take the loss, it's fine. As long as you're up 50% of the time, and when you're up, you're making more money than your losses, then you're fine. But be prepared to walk away. Remember, if you do this on your brokerage account, you can post a tax loss and save on your tax. For me, I do it on my Roth IRA, so it'll have no tax implications whatsoever. I've got no update from Ed. He's out. He's not commented, and that's fine. Doesn't have to comment. I'm looking for that little point there. And I'm also looking at some news coming in. I don't like it now. I think it's losing momentum. The overall trend of this stock is down as well. I don't like touching an IPO, but if we look at it, over the last, in fact, that doesn't really show it very well. This chart isn't very good. This is where Robinhood doesn't work very well. Holding there. If we hold about 141, yeah, 141. Robinhood discourages scalp trading by slowing execution speed and order fills. No, that's not true at all. Mustafa, that's not true. There's no evidence of that whatsoever. I've had that conversation with Robinhood. That isn't true. I want to be absolutely clear. This statement is not true. Okay, this is an unverified user. I'm happy to say Robinhood's rubbish if it's rubbish, but that is not a true statement. Robinhood discourages scalp trading by slowing down execution speed. That is not correct at all. I'm still holding it. I'm right on the button. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it there just for a second. 146. I'm going to watch it on another screen while I come back and look at the overall portfolio. Okay. The S&P's come back up again. I didn't buy more yet. Disprove it. I don't need to disprove anything to you, Mustafa. You're making a statement on my show. It's my show. Okay. I don't need to prove anything to you. I've had conversations with Robinhood about that very point, and it's not true. What you're saying, there's no evidence of it whatsoever. It's not accurate. So I don't need to have to prove anything to you on the show. Everything I say is 100% truthful, and everything can be checked. And what you're saying is unverified. We don't know who you are, and I don't have to prove anything to you. Blue water, 143, 142, 141. I'm just holding it. Space at 430 and sell at 101. Yeah. Very good. Done. Out. There you go. So according to our friend here who calls himself Mustafa, which might not even be his real name, remember, he's an unverified user. We get lots of people coming in here making up stories. He just said there that the comment he made was his comment was Robinhood discourages scalp trading by slowing down execution speed and order fills. Well, the fact of the matter is I got out in less than a second at the exact price of the stock at the time. Did not get a worse deal. So that proves what you just said there is not true. Okay, if Robinhood or any stock, I'm not a fan of anyone other than you, my audience, my actual members, other people that pretend to be other people, say stuff not true. I'm not here for you. I'm here for the members. Okay, we are growing the most honest channel on YouTube TV. There is the evidence that I could get out immediately for the price I wanted immediately, and it went through instantly. So what you just said there, proof wasn't true. Anyway. It's from my experience. Well, I don't know how your account is set up and what you do. I can't comment, but I'm just telling you that is not a fact. Space up 2.5% in 15 minutes. Let's close this one down now. We are Blue Water Biotech. So I need to make an update on that video. So here we go, because every single thing we do, we post. We don't just post the successes. That would be untruthful. We don't do that. That would be biased, make our channel look something that it isn't. So what we do now is I will go and record this position. So you know everything is 100% always accurate and 100% always true. So where are we now? We are at 140. 140. And 140 out. Okay, so we're going to make a quick update of this one here. Here we go. Right, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Our scalp trade this morning, we took a loss on it. Why did I take a loss on this one? I didn't like where it was going. Our research team were out at 145. I held in a little bit longer. I was looking at some data and I thought I'd quite like to stay in a bit longer. But bearing in mind, I was aware of how much I was losing and how much I would gain by putting the money somewhere else. So I decided to get out. We had someone on our show say that Robinhood slows down scalp trades. I wanted to explain that is not true. I even proved it wasn't true. But be very, very careful of unverified users on my channel making claims. We have it all the time about Mullen, Virgin Galactic, you name it, people making up stories. I'm always telling you the honest truth, sharing with you everything. So our scalp trade this morning didn't come off. Until this morning, we have an 80% success rate. We'll have to reduce that slightly because we took a loss on it. However, I'm using the money to buy other things. So for me, I'm still up comfortably on all of my scalp trades. Remember, if you are down on a stock, be quite comfortable with taking a loss. If you do it on your main account, you can post it as a tax loss and actually benefit from that. Most companies do that anyway in December. This is way too early to do that from a tax harvesting point of view, but nothing wrong with doing that. If you feel that you can make more money somewhere else, take the loss. Scalp trades only take up 0.1% of my overall portfolio. So I can afford to do these things, and overall I'm up making good money. So just be aware of that. These are very risky. You have to know how to exit the stock. You have to know what you're going to do with the money if you are going to exit the stock. How are you exiting? Where are you doing it on your Roth IRA? No tax advantages there, up or down. Are you doing it on your brokerage account where there is a tax harvest? Best to do it in December, really, and January, the last weeks of tax season. Remember, you've got until April to do tax season of the following year. There we are. There we are. We'll post this later on. This was a loss. We're out. We took it, and we'll move on. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, that will go out later on. Okay, let's go back to our position and we will close out. We don't look back. We're not interested in where it goes now. Space, up 2%. Let's have a look. Space up 2.5% in 15 minutes. Scalp trade idea. Buy space at 4.30 and sell 100 in 2 years. It's a great idea. You should be part of our team, Rob. Why are you not a member anymore anyway? 95% of our live viewers are members. We got 18 countries represented. If you're not a member yet, you could be the first person to fly the flag for your country. We have Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, and Mexico. If your flag is not flying for you yet, become a member and get 20 times back what you put in. All right, Virgin Galactic is up to date. No update today on Virgin Galactic. I asked for a data report on yesterday's test flight. Did you not see it? There was a test flight yesterday. Virgin Galactic was in the air yesterday. If you go to my homepage of the channel, if you want to know exactly what happened and how it worked out, there is the Virgin Galactic White Knight on the homepage in past live streams. There it is. There is the video that went out last night. All right. Okay, if you want the data for the chart for Virgin Galactic, I posted that yesterday. Full analysis on the chart, where we see it going, and there it is. If you want my review on the FOMC report, that's today. And the Virgin Galactic false news, again, non-members sending in ridiculous false claims, YouTubers trying to make name for themselves, spreading false information. Their aim is to make money on YouTube. My aim is to grow the most honest channel on YouTube TV, because we are not a YouTube channel. We are a TV show. This is a TV studio, and YouTube is now the future of YouTube is a full It's going. What I'm trying to say is it's going full mainstream on TV. It's going to replace mainstream TV. So I am building a 4K studio to be like as a TV studio. Anyway, good morning, Martin. I use Webull and Robinhood. Yes, I prefer Robinhood out of those two. Eduardo, bro, good morning. I'm out, says Crag. Using Cobra trading platform, I can enter and exit a trade within seconds. So can I. So can I. But those platforms you're talking about, I'm not familiar with. I've not tested those. I can't comment. And I haven't got time to test any new. I've tested about 20 different platforms. I've never heard of Cobra trading platform. I've not heard of it, and so I can't comment on it. But I can get out within seconds. I just did. Try it with a low float, small cap, and with above 14 high volatility. I haven't really got the time to look at anything else new right now. And as I say, you're a non-member. So for non-members, I'm not going to review stuff like that. I do that for my members. Ilya says, best update ever. Thank you very much indeed. Well, it's just the truth as it happens. It is what it is. If it goes up, it goes up. Goes down, it goes down. But all I can tell you is whether it goes up or whether it goes down, all we're interested in is consistent profits over time. And am I making consistent profits over time? Yes, always. Here is my account. It's gone down today, and I sold the top last night. I've now got $3,300 in my account for the pullback today. So that's good. That's earning 4.65%, could even be 5% today if we do get a rate hike, and we're going to cover it live. I'm up on the day, I'm up on the week, I'm up on the month, I'm up on 3 months, I'm up on year to date. If I go to my Roth IRA, I'm up on the week, I'm up on the month, I'm up on 3 months, I'm up on year to date, I'm up on the year, I'm up on total, I'm up on all time. So at the end of the day, we're about making consistent profits, telling the truth as it is. We're not a fan of anything. We're just here as a fan of you. Okay. So fast. Well, it's got to be fast, Raphael. Unfortunately, the music channel is where we relax. The music channel is where we take our time. This channel it has to be fast moving. I'd love to sit here and, and have a quiet conversation and chill out. Well, that's what our members' events are for. We do that, but the main shows are fast because they have to be. Do we want them to be? Not particularly, just the way it is. That's just the rules, and we play the rules and we win. Okay, Rivian going down. Tesla going down, but I'm holding my position. I would like to add more. Now I've sold off the top, I could buy back some more. I'm not going to buy in here. We're still up 48%. However, it's a good pullback. We are down nearly 1%. We've lost 2% today. I'd buy Tesla for a 5% swing, not 2%. That's not enough. Mullen's going to zero. It's a scam. Lucid's rubbish. It loses $500,000 every time it sells a car. You want to know how much Peter Rawlinson pays himself? If you want to know if a stock's going private, ask Peter Rawlinson what he pays himself. One of the highest paid CEOs in the world. Absolutely insane how much money he takes for himself, knowing the company is going to zero. I'm absolutely gobsmacked he even allows it to happen. But I'm not, because it's going private, and that's why. Just seen some guy I went to school with has 600,000 followers on TikTok. Hey, good for him. I'm nowhere near that. I'm at 34, coming up to 35,000. Anyway, say Martin says hello. Right, Lucid's going down. Apple going up. Amazon. I bet my safe money's going up. There it is. Coca-Cola and J&J. Yep, both going up. Taking all the safe money today. Good morning, Martin. F. Caban, how are you? Was we not trying to do something yesterday for you? Wasn't you trying to do something yesterday and you needed me to finish it off? What was it? It wasn't membership. What was it? Broadcast lounge is open if anybody wants to call in. The line is now open. You can call into the show via Discord in the broadcast lounge. All members can call in live to the show. Right now, the phone is open. He's a full-time musician now, really good singer. Oh, good. I'd like to help him with his music then if he wants to come onto the show. Happily, if he becomes a member, I will put his music channel on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and I will get everyone to subscribe to him. It's what I do, and I'll do it for him. He's a friend of yours, comes a member, he's a musician. I would love to do it. Enphase. Bitcoin, still going down to 15,000. Tilray, collapsing now. Robinhood, 10x, definitely. Nelson! Right, Nelson. Did I upgrade your account? I'm sure I've got this to do, haven't I? Yes, you remember now. I did it. This is Nelson, our new member, and I made him a friend last night as well on... Nelson, let me click on you, make sure that we're friends. Remember, do not... yes, we're friends. And you've got the role of YouTube member. There we go. Just wanted to make sure you're all up to date. Yes, you are. Okay. Now then. TikTok followers value 0. You only win money on TikTok if you sell products. No, that's not correct, Raphael. That's not correct. I earn money every day on TikTok. I'll tell you exactly how much I earn, Raphael. I earn about between 10 and 13 cents a day from TikTok ads. So it's not nothing. It's 10 to 13 cents every day. I also get about $20 a month from my subscribers on TikTok. So I earn about $20 a month on TikTok for memberships, plus I earn about 10 to 13 cents a day on TikTok ads. Also, I gain about 300 or 400 members every day, and 1% of those, maybe slightly more, come onto YouTube. And then we had two today. So it's about 1 or 2% come from TikTok to YouTube, and those people that come onto YouTube, generally, nearly all the time, become members, paid members here on YouTube. So TikTok does make money. It's very important, though, to cross-populate. I am Martyn Lucas Investor on TikTok. I am Martyn Investor on Twitter. I am Martyn Lucas Investor on my website. Martyn Lucas Investor on Facebook. Martyn Lucas Investor on YouTube. Martyn Lucas Investor on Rumble. And they all cross-populate. And it does work. So that's how you make money on TikTok. And if anybody wants to make money like me on TikTok, all you've got to do is become one of my subscribers, and I make a commercial video for you advertising your channel on my channel. I only do it for my subscribers and members, and I guarantee you 100% that you will get followers. My subscribers love that perk, and it helps them grow on TikTok. The best way to grow on any social media is get friends with somebody else who's successful, who will help you. No point just following for follow and all that rubbish. Follow someone who will help you. And that's what I do for all of my members and all my subscribers. Yes, you did. It's all good. Fantastic. When is the meeting today? It's live on our show. It's live on our show. Wiser break into the upside. Flooded edits. Thank you for that. How much do you get just by views? Just by views alone, that's what I said. Between 10 and 13 cents a day. Sometimes I get 26, sometimes even get $1 a day. But my average is between 10 cents and 13 cents. Now you might say, well, why do you bother? Because I'm investing in myself and I know where it's going. And it's constantly going up, and it's going to explode at some point. So as I say, I get residual profit from everything else that follows on from everything else. The FOMC report, right? We are covering it live today, live on our show. We're going to be live with the FOMC report. If you want the link for the live feed, there it is on the home stream, on the homepage of my channel, upcoming live streams. So if you want to know when, oh, here he is. This guy here, I'm going to put him on the screen. This guy here is a friend of the Wolf of Dubai. He comes in my channel and he says horrible things all the time. And I reply to him politely all the time, correct him when he's wrong, because he's wrong nearly all the time. And here he is. Welcome to our live show. It's the very first time he's come on a live show. And normally he replies to videos and says things that aren't true. And I always reply and make sure the world knows when it's not true. But anyway, Tech Freaks, welcome. He's a friend of the Wolf of Dubai who thinks I don't know. I know exactly what's going on. Anyway, welcome to our channel. Sorry for the negative introduction, but I'm just telling the truth. It's what you say to me every day on YouTube. You've called me all kinds of names, been abusive, and I've always replied to you politely and honestly and openly. And welcome to our channel. I hope we can become friends. It would be nice. I only ever tell you the truth. Anyway, I apologize. I didn't know which platform give you more by views. Which platform gives me more by views? YouTube. The home is YouTube. We're coming up to 1 million views now. I probably, in fact, no. Actually, I get more views on TikTok. But the value of the views is far higher on YouTube. Far higher. Every view I get on TikTok, on YouTube, is worth 1 cent. You might earn a lot less than that on another channel. It's just that financial channels in the UK, in the US, is about the second to third highest place CPM you can get in the world. Okay, the best place to have an audience is Australia. Australia pays the highest CPM. However, a financial channel is the highest. So if you've got a financial channel that gets seen by Australians, that's the highest CPM rate, click per cost per thousand. However, I am in the US, so it's the US is third. The US is third. Australia is number one. I can't remember what's number two, but Australia is number one. Anyway, don't ever apologize, mate. The idea is that when you say things, I make sure everybody knows exactly what the truth is. Longest streak ever of green days. It may be coming to an end. Tesla very well could, but I'm not selling it. It's very interesting feedback. You're welcome. Nelson Faze, Ben, I'm not sure what that means. Let me translate. What is your native language? I will speak to you in your native language. Let's have a look. Portuguese. You are Portuguese. And we have the flag flying for Portugal. Right, the overall portfolio is starting to move up now. This is good. I didn't buy the dip. Didn't see, it didn't go low enough for me. There's my Roth IRA. There's my main account. And we're approaching an all-time high again. Good. Good. Even though Tesla's down. Now, what I could do is I could buy Tesla because I'm actually up, hitting an all-time high anyway. So I could do that. I'm not going to just yet, though. Doesn't make any sense to do that just yet. Welcome our guests on TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. This is good. This is good. Now we're going to cover the live. We're going to cover the live FOMC report. If your flag isn't flown, by the way, if you fly your flag, you'll be represented here on the show. Now then, let me give everybody the member. We've got a couple of things to give away now. We've got our. What shall I do first? So much to share with you this morning. Here is the free Discord link if you want to talk to my team 24/7 and know about our trades before we make them. There is our Discord. It's free, but only YouTube members get full access to everything to be able to talk to me and all the team and call in live to the show. Here's the invitation to join, become a YouTube member. There it is. And we'll fly the flag for you in your country. You get 20 times back what you put in. Literally, that's why 95% of our live viewers are members. Higher than any other channel on YouTube. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. Mr. Beast is about 8 to 9% of his live viewers are members. Mine is 95%. Because every single word is true and we're live up to 10 hours a day. We're hoping one day to have guests on our show that can make our show live 24 hours a day. That is the aim. To be the best YouTube TV show in the world. That is our aim. Right. Tesla. Let me have a look at my stocks. Here comes my morning coffee. Thank you, Leah. How are you this morning? Oh, yes. That's 11, isn't it? Thank you for the reminder. Yeah. Okay. Now, we've got a special moment coming up in 20 minutes' time. And a very special moment coming up in 20 minutes. Make sure that you are here and you don't disappear because we've got a special event happening in 20 minutes. It happens every day at 1:30 this hour. I go live uninterrupted for 2 hours without taking a break. And at 1:30 this hour, I take a 7-minute break, and then we come back. We want to meet Leah. One day you might. She doesn't want to come on camera, though, but one day she might. Anyway, Martin, did you receive the dope I sent last night? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I've not had a chance to reply to you yet. Yes, I did. Thank you, Eric. So basically, Eric, it is Ali's drone now. And I need to get back at least what he paid for it to then send back to him. Okay. And if Doge goes down, I mean, I need that money. Okay. I need that money to give him his money back if you're going to buy it for the same price that he paid for it. So you got to pay at least that amount of money before I can send it to you. So cover I told you how much it was in the chat. You need to cover that much, but make sure, because obviously I'm going to sell that Doge for that cash. I need to give him that money back. So it has to cover me. If Doge goes down, I haven't got the money. So, I mean, you jumped in before we'd even discussed how to pay me. But anyway, it's fine and it's great. Just know I need the amount of money to give him back that he paid me. At least that, okay? So otherwise, I'm out of pocket. All right? Anyway, that makes sense, right? White Knight is flying again. Let me have a look. White Knight is flying again. Well, today, because if you've got the flight number, give me the flight number in the chat right now. If you've got what, if White Knight is flying right now, give me the flight number, and I will bring it up on the screen. Okay, let's have a quick look. If White Knight is in the air, if you are correct with that, give me the flight number. If you are looking at it, you know what the flight number is. Give it to me, and I will. Because I don't see it in the air. Hang on. There it is. I've got it. White Knight is in the air. You're absolutely right. White Knight is in the air again. We are watching it now. Here is White Knight in the air. Okay. There it is on the screen. White Knight is in the air. Now, I can tell you and confirm that Unity is not attached. Unity is not attached. We are at 12,000 feet. There's no information from Virgin Galactic. They've not replied to any... they've declined from a comment of what was the situation yesterday. So this is not the flight with the US Air Force. However, 2 days in a row, having White Knight in the air is a very, very good sign. I like that. Virgin Galactic stock is up. Not on this news, though. This has just happened. She's just taken off. There is White Knight in the air. Now then, we can also tell you that the airspace is not locked off. So that proves there's no rocket attached. Because if there was, they would have to close the airspace. The airspace is not closed. There is Virgin Galactic. We are watching it right now. Finn, thank you very much indeed. Finn, you should be one of my members of my channel. Here's the invitation to join. There's the invitation to join. All right, become one of my researchers. Get onto Discord and send in information as you get it. Right. Martyn, you're a showman. You really love your job. Yes, I do. I've got the best job in the world. And one of the things I love more than anything else is... there's nothing more than this, is helping people. We've raised over $1 million for charity. We've helped people grow their YouTube channels, their TikTok accounts, Twitter accounts. I love doing that. And everyone's making money. I love that. And we love the fact we have members in 18 countries around the world. I understand. I will send you the rest around 4 p.m. Thank you, Eric. It was funny. Just so you know what I'm talking about, earlier on, I've got a drone for sale, a brand new drone. I'm selling it, right? And one of my members, Sensei Crypto, bought it. And then he found out how much it would cost to send it to England. And I said, don't worry, I'm coming to England, but I don't know when I'm going yet. So he said, oh, okay. Well, if you can find someone to pay for it, can I get my money back? And I said, yeah, that's fine. No problem at all. You've bought it at a good price. If someone else wants to buy it, then I'll send you the money. He said, yeah, great, brilliant. So I said that, and Eric B jumped straight on it. Boom. And he sends me Doge. Bosh. There's the money. I went, whoa, hang on. What's going on here? So anyway, I went, hang on a minute, what's going on? No point. What if Doge goes down and I've got no money to send him? That's no flipping good, is it? So that's what we're talking about, all right? We're always open and honest. We even air our laundry on the show. We even tell you what's going on behind the scenes. I have just got a wonderful tip from Christopher Misek. Love the content, Martyn. So glad to be a member. Thank you for that. That will come up on the screen in a second and we'll celebrate that. Thank you so much for highlighting your comment. And here it comes.
Love the content, Martyn. So glad to be a member.
You are welcome, mate. You are very, very welcome. Virgin Galactic's going up on this news. Let's go back to it. Thank you so much indeed for your support to the channel. All the money I get on super chats and memberships go to run this show. I now earn about $8-9 a day from doing these live streams, and that's the members' money I get and the super chats, and it runs this show. That's what pays the electric. That's what pays the internet bill, and and all the rest of it. I'm hoping one day actually to be able to live on it properly other than just cover the bills. But thank you very much. We've got it. Finn, we're on it. We've been watching it now for a few minutes. You're behind the stream, I think. Queen of Self-Braiding. Tiagio has got a comment here in another language. Let me translate. Tiagio is one of our guests, I think, from Portugal. We have guests around the world. Yes. Yeah, and so far he hasn't lied. Correct. Everything is 100% true. That's what our channel is all about. Otherwise, we wouldn't be here. There's no point. And it's frontal. I don't go. I didn't get that bit. I didn't get that last comment. Anyway, let's have a look. Flynn. Let me just read all the comments out. We're watching Virgin Galactic. We've got a few minutes to go before our special event. Okay, I've read that one. I'm reading everyone's comment. I have to focus on the members. If I don't read your comment, it's because you're not a member, but I try to read. Virgin Galactic is going up. This is good. Virgin Galactic is moving up. I'm in contact with Virgin Galactic to get some feedback. Nothing yet. Awesome, Chris. Like your honest show. You're one of the last real people. Rock. But it's easy for me, right? The thing is, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not a YouTuber, right? I was voted as the world piano man. You know all about that, right? This is my music channel here. I've toured all over the world as the world piano man. I performed as the Phantom of the Opera. I performed with my Vegas showgirls. This is who I am. I'm an entertainer. I've had the best life that anyone could ever have, and I'm not here to sell videos. I'm not a YouTuber trying to sell videos. I have a YouTube TV show. And the idea is to build up a family and an audience to know that this is the best, most honest, real, supportive channel in the world. We want to raise millions for charity. We want to build everyone's YouTube channels up. We want everyone to make money. And every word will be absolutely 100% true. That's why we are here. That's the only reason we are here. That's it. Not to sell videos. I'm not a guy who suddenly thought, oh, I can make money making up stories on YouTube. They all do it. They all make videos that trend. I don't do trending videos at all. At all. And if you look at my music event coming up in 10 minutes, I'm about to explain exactly what I mean by that. So stick around for that. That's coming up in a second. Big event coming up in a minute. And I hope everybody will help me with it. Tesla. Let's have a look. White Knight's in the air. It's just testing. We're waiting to see. Oh, we did a little bit of loop the loop then. I like it. Martin, please check your text for the link about Virgin Galactic. Aha. Someone has sent, one of my researchers has sent me in a text. No, I've got no text from you. Oh, yes, I have. Beg your pardon. Okay. Virgin Galactic outperformed. Let me read that a minute. Just reading some information. Queen, can you send me that link, please, into Discord? I can't verify it on the screen like that. Okay. Links for YouTube. That's where I need it. We've got information coming in about Virgin Galactic from one of my team. Send it in to me via Discord and I'll share it on the screen. Okay. Looks like Virgin Galactic is doing loop the loop at the minute. We're showing off now. We're thinking now we built a rocket. We might as well spin it around. Spin it around. The share price will go up. People will like that. People will like that. Is the share price going up? Yeah, it's going up. They like the loop look. Richard, if we do loop the loop, everyone loves it. We'll do that. Links for YouTube channel, please. Okay. Yeah, and you're a better musician than most so-called stars. Thank you, Rock. Thank you, Rock. That is really kind of you, mate. Virgin Galactic also upgraded price target to $4.75. Yeah, I'm expecting a $7 price target actually. Remember once it goes to 7, they'll dilute back down to 4. So that might be where that comes from. They don't want to say 7 and then it goes to 4 and upsets the shareholders, right? Because they will dilute at 7. No question about it. 100%. 100%. Okay. Virgin, we're preparing for the FOMC report. We'll be live with it. You'll be here with the whole day with me. Tesla, you see why I didn't sell it? Mullen going to zero. It's a scam. I've got evidence. Just can't show you it on the screen. But it's rubbish. All right. Mullen, rubbish. Lost a lot of money on Mullen. Anyway, doesn't matter. As long as I'm up overall, I don't really care. Coca-Cola, J&J, all good. Virgin Galactic, let's do a backflip. Yeah, I love it. Me and Christopher, we're going to get on. Me and Christopher are going to be friends. I like Christopher. He's got the right attitude. Yeah, we got, can we just do a little backflip? Is that really necessary? Well, I'm looking. Look on my phone here. I'm watching Martyn Lucas on Robinhood. Can we get Wi-Fi up here? Oh yeah, we're a rocket company. We got Virgin Fiber connected up to here. Right. Martyn Lucas looking down at his app. He's on YouTube right now. Apparently, if we do a backflip, the stock price is going to go up. He's going to tell everybody about it. He's sharing this thing. All right then. Well, is it safe? Of course it's safe. We're a rocket company. We're just full of rocket fuel. We don't start the engine until they drop us out of the sky, free fall, and then we start the engine, hope it starts. Don't worry about it. We got this. We're Virgin. We did Virgin Cola years ago and got booted off. No, it's fine. Do it. Didn't Richard Branson go bankrupt the last 4 companies? Don't worry about that. This is good. Martyn Lucas is watching on YouTube. Right, okay. So I'll do a backflip. All right then. Whee! Over we go. Yep, I'm reporting it. Let's do it. Yep. Now this is me. That was the pilots. This is me. So we're back with me again now. Right, there we go. There's the backflips. Look, you can see the backflips coming in now. And let's see if we can send the information straight back to Virgin Galactic now and see if we can get the price up. Yep, the price is up. We're at $1. We're at $1.86 today. We're at 1.86. Okay, we're back in the rocket ship right now. There we go. Apparently, we did the backflip. Martyn Lucas loved it. The stock price has gone up. He's now predicting at $7. Why are you saying $7? We've only put out that it's going to go up to $4.56. Yeah, but he told everybody that he knows it's going to dilute at 7. So we can't say 7 because if it goes to 7 and then we dilute, we're going to upset all our customers, all our shareholders, and then they're going to sell out and they're going to short the stock because they know there's more coming, right? Yeah. So we'll say 4.50, 4.60. So when we go to 7 and dilute and it comes back to 4, everybody will forget we said that. Okay, because everyone loves Richard Branson. Everyone loves the bearded man, right? That's fine. We'll just keep doing backflips. Right. Anyway, Christopher Messick. Okay, we got 5 minutes to go. We will keep this stream running live. We will keep this stream running live with Virgin Galactic. You're not going to miss anything, all right? We'll keep this running live. We will come back to Virgin Galactic. We're going to take a 7-minute break. When I sit here for 2 hours, I then take a 7-minute restroom break. Go to the toilet, have a cup of coffee. And this is where I ask you to help me. This stream is going to stay live and we're going to come back. Then we've got the FOMC report. Then we've got the closing bell. We're going to be here all day. We're covering the FOMC report live, the flights live, you name it live. But this is what I ask from you. Okay? A few days ago, it was declared around the world the day the music died. AI is now producing music automatically and killing live music, including my channel. No one finds my music anymore, but I have a way to fight back. And every day at this time, I take a 7-minute break. Every day at this time, I take a 7-minute break, and I invite you all to jump in to my world premiere. I was voted as the world piano man. Here's my world premiere in the chat right now. Here it comes. There it is in the chat for you right now. This, I want you to all jump in for my, not just yet, when I say to my world premiere. It's today, Big River, recorded live in the show. And the reason why I ask you to do this is because of this, okay? It's very, very important. There it is. That's Big River today. I am doing videos that have no trending terms and search optimization at all because AI has killed it. If you look here on my video, the only way you can find me now, because AI is being so sophisticated with trending terms that if you try and compete, you won't. So I just use Martyn Lucas Music. That is it. My thumbnail is just the name of the song. That is it. It is going to old school. We're trying to go back to the days of the Beatles when you produce something and the only way you grow is people share it and tell their friends. Search on Google and YouTube for Martyn Lucas Music. Music is dying and AI. If you don't want nothing but robotic music in the future, help me right now. Martyn Lucas Music. Okay? Search for that. We're now going live with my world premiere. I'm going to take a 7-minute break, and this is going to be running while I'm on a break. When I come back, we'll carry on with Virgin Galactic, and we'll carry on with the FOMC report, okay? So there is my live. Hang on, I've lost my place now. Bear with me. There we go. Sorry about that. I'm doing too many things at once today. Okay. There is my song. We're now going to go to a break. Please come and join me, everybody. And all I ask you to do, the only way my music can survive, is when you watch the video, please watch it all the way through. And you can come right back to the show. I'm going to be here, continue streaming. Leave a like and share it. The old-fashioned way. I want to destroy the AI bots on music. Please help me. Click the share button. Put it on your social media. My music cannot survive in any other way. All right? It's being totally and utterly destroyed by AI. And I'm trying to lead the charge with this. Share it on your social media. Okay? Okay. So we're going to go there right now. Here is the world premiere. I'm going to go to a break. Please join me. The link's in the chat. Everyone come on and then come straight back for more Virgin Galactic and FOMC. Here we go. It's time to take a 7-minute break. Join me for the world premiere and share it. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. Thank you ever so much, everybody who watched my premiere. That goes live every trading day after the 9:30, which was 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago, we do that every single day at that time. And the only way that music will remain live with AI destroying live music now is if you do search on Google or YouTube, Martyn Lucas Music. Please do search Martyn Lucas Music or go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to me. And when you watch the daily video, please do like and share because AI is destroying live music. So please do help me survive because music is being completely destroyed. I get a handful of views on my music. It's extremely hard. Good human music, the best. Thank you so much indeed. But you can't even tell. The AI now as a way to make the videos and do the music, write the songs, do the trends so people find it. It's near enough impossible. The only way now is human beings to do what we're doing now. So the only way now is for you guys to watch my music and share it on your social media. Start the Lucas AIDS army. And it's the only way we can keep music live. Anyway, Robinhood, I said it was a 10x. We're starting to move now. It's 100% a 10x. Said it over and over again. I stand by what I said, and it is 100% a 10x. We have got the next earnings is in August. Yeah, we've got plenty of time to go for that. But yes, Robinhood now, I'm up 12.5% in my Roth, and in my brokerage, I'm up 14.5%. So there's a long way to go before a 10x, but that's where it's going, and I'm holding that long term. Absolutely right. Fantastic. Virgin Galactic and Robinhood taking off. Yep. My top stocks, Virgin Galactic. Let's go back to the flight. We've got White Knight in the air still. Let's have a look if she's still in the air. Let me just make sure I've got this. It's refreshing. Here it is on the screen. Make sure that the app is still refreshing. There's White Knight in the air. I'm not 100% certain because it seems to have frozen in that position. So what I'm going to do is other planes are moving. She may have landed. So I'm going to open and close the flight app and see if I can refresh the flight radar and just to make certain of that information. That's Southwest. Whoops. Ad loading. Bear with me. Anybody can sing, be trained to sing, but only a few have the talent to write good lyrics, support innovation. Says Mustafa. Okay. It looks like, no, White Knight is in the air. Just wanted to make absolutely sure before I said to you, White Knight is in the air. She's at 50,000 feet now. This is release height, even though we know that Unity is not attached. There it is. A noob question, but can you explain what do you mean by 10x? It means it goes up 1,000%. 10x is 10 times the amount. All right, so if we're at $9, which is where we were, I'm expecting it to go to $90. That is 10 times, 10x, 10 times. All right, so, and now some of you are going to go, that doesn't make any sense. Look at the market cap. But remember, the market cap is only the value of the stocks times by the value of the stocks. I don't buy stocks, I buy companies. And I'm interested in the company of where it's going, not just trading stocks. That's not what I do or have any interest in that at all. I make money from it. That's trading people's emotions, but it's the companies that I buy. What did you mean by this comment, Mustafa? Anybody can sing or be trained to sing, but only a few have the talent to write good lyrics and support innovation. Okay. Well, I'll let everyone else decide on that comment. Okay. I don't understand why people go through life trying to not make friends. The opposite of making friends and being supportive. I don't understand. It doesn't get you anywhere. I don't know why people. I know why people do it. I know why people do it, but it doesn't get you anywhere. I don't know why you choose that path, but people do. Mustafa likes to be confrontational and stuff like that, and live in a world of negativity. Don't understand it. It's not where I live, but you are welcome to live there. I just won't join you. Lucid going up. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Safe Money, Coca-Cola. Why it's going there? Because the ex-dividend date is tomorrow. That's why. And it's a Safe Money. Same as J&J. Everything's in the Safe Money going up. Makes perfect sense. Okay. Did you all leave a comment on the video? Did you all like it and share it? The only way we can survive if you do that. And I know with the Lucas Aids Army, we can take our music to 1 million subscribers. I know we can. And AI has no control over that at all. Human beings are going to win the battle if we stick together and do it what I'm talking about. Anyway, everything's looking great. Very happy with all my positions. We're still watching White Knight in the air. We're at release height now, 49,900. That's where it releases. Well, just above 50,000, 52 to be precise. And we're watching it right now. Thank you, everybody. Okay. Now then, what we got to do now is do Day Trader of the Day. We've got to prepare for the FOMC. So that's what we're going to do right now. Okay. We're watching White Knight. We are also watching our stock positions of Virgin Galactic. Our overall position, Virgin Galactic is now doing very well. This is very good. Bit of FOMO kicking in now. Bit of momentum picking up. Here we go. A bit of momentum picking up now for Virgin Galactic. I don't know who's buying it now, but that's a very risky thing to do. Just going to warn everybody, that's a very risky thing to do if you are buying it now. Just saying. Just saying. I wouldn't be buying it. I'm already in. An investor finds the bottom, knows what the company's worth, and buys it before it goes up. Now the FOMO's kicking in. Now we're seeing everybody buy in. So up she goes. Okay. I'm glad you're buying in, but I'm not buying in now. But I wish you all the best. Mullen, going to zero. Lucid, rubbish. Apple, great. AI. Amazon, AI, great. McDonald's, can't pay too much for land. Coca-Cola, we've got the dividends tomorrow. That's the ex-dividend date, not payday tomorrow. Polygon, great. I got the 38% dip. I buy it not to make money. I buy it for a use case because I use it to pay all my gas fees. It's the most efficient way of doing it. And I'm very, very happy with that. Let's have a look. The Roth IRA, we're all-time highs. We've broken through 58,000 again. All-time highs again. Absolutely great. Let's go back over to White Knight. There she is. She's now at 44,000. She's coming up to the loop-the-loop. This is where she does loop-the-looplet. This part of the sky is very important. This part of the sky. This isn't any bit of sky, right? This is the sky, the bit of sky where she's got all the little obstacles to like spin around, right? They're in the sky. There's these floating little islands. They're sponsored by me. I sent them up there. They're like little Martyn Lucas balloons, and they float around at these levels, and then she nips around like that. That's what this is. It's why it's always happening in this area, all right? I sent up these balloons, and they've got my face on it going like that. And she tries to like dodge round them. I get upset when she bumps into them though, because it does cost me money. I've got to send more balloons up. I don't like that. I said, look, I'm only making $8 a day on YouTube. Can you stop bursting my balloons? But they're not having it. But anyway, I've said, why do we have to keep doing loot the loot in this same area? Can we do it a bit nearer my house? Because it's very expensive for me to keep coming up to where you are and pumping up these balloons. I could do it much easier here, but they're not having it. No, if you want to have the little obstacle course for our rocket, then you've got to bring the balloons. So I have to keep doing it, and it's getting a bit old now. But anyway, everyone seems to enjoy it. How do you know that Unity is not attached? Maybe that's why the share price is pumping. No, there's several reasons I know why Unity isn't attached, and it's very, very obvious. When I tell you, you're going to go, oh yeah, okay. Oh, hello. What is that? What is that? Oh, Mesa Airlines. That's no big deal. It looked a bit freaky anyway. Right, there's two reasons, and I'm going to tell you what it is. Number one, it would have its own transponder, and we would see it right next to to White Knight. You would see two planes side by side, one bigger and one smaller, following each other all the time. Don't mistake that from the camera plane. That's a completely different plane. You can click on it and it will say Unity, okay? So we know it's not in the air. It can't fly without its transponder on. It'd be against FAA regulations, all right? They're not allowed. It has to be registered. Otherwise, you'd be a missile and you could be used for a weapon, all right? Number two, if a rocket is attached to a plane, FAA regulations would be the airspace would be closed. The airspace isn't closed because we have a commercial airline, Mesa, right behind it. And if you think it's about to crash into it, it's not. There are different heights, all right? So it's not going to crash into it. But yeah, so that's how we know Unity is not attached. Also, if Unity was attached, they would have announced it on Virgin Galactic because they always announce the flights. They don't announce test flights. That's just part of the way they run the company. And fourthly, I would have heard because they would have told me. So there's 4 reasons why I know Unity is not attached to White Knight at the moment. Does that make sense? That makes sense? And we're not about to get a head-on collision, folks. Unity, White Knight is coming down. This plane here is at 25,000 feet. That is pretty close. 27,000 feet, 25. Wow, that is close. That's 2,000 feet apart. That's very close. Mesa has just gone past 26,000 feet, 27. That's 1,500 feet in between. That is extremely close. That is extremely close. What you just witnessed there was extremely close. That there'll be conversations about that. That was a 1,500 feet. That is way closer than regulations. That you just witnessed a very close pass, but by that airline there. That airline is flying to Denver. It's a commercial airline, Mesa Airlines. Got a little bit too close there. They were 1,500 feet away from White Knight. 1,500 feet is absolutely nothing. That was interesting. But anyway, bit of drama there. Bit of drama going on. Okay. That's going to raise some attention. Anyway, they're not going to like that. That's not the way you do things. I'm back. Hi all, Keaton S. Hi Keaton. Did you watch the premiere? So let me just do a poll. Let's see if we improved from yesterday. Did you? And please always tell the truth. Did you watch the world premiere? The world premiere. Whoops. Premiere music. Video. Please tell me the truth. Don't say yes if you didn't. I want to know if we're improving on it. Yes or no. Did you watch the world premiere music video? Thank you very much indeed. Can't believe that. Anyway, SpaceX spying on Virgin Galactic. Thanks for clearing that up. I was just interested. Andy, you're very welcome, mate. 1,000 feet is the minimum standard separation, apparently. Is the minimum standard separation. Yeah, they were right on it. They were literally right on it. 1,500 feet. They were down to the minimum there. So the young filmmaker, you might be interested in my studio. Look, got a TV studio here. All cameras are on tracks, all 4 and 5K. We've got all moving lights. We've got everything. We've got special effects, dry ice, haze. My music studio's behind me. If you have a quick look, there's the music studio behind me. All the different screens. The Neumann microphone, what they're using, Capitol Records. Anyway, go back green because we're green today. I watched your music performance yesterday, if that's what you mean, but not anything today. Just been on work. Okay. So you missed today's premiere then. Okay. Here's today's premiere. It was Big River today. Just aired. It always airs at 9:30 in the morning. If you've rung the bell, you'll be notified of it. The only way we can survive AI is everyone share my music because it's dying. AI is completely killing live music. Okay. Right. We are going to do Day Trader of the Day. I watched and commented. Tuna sub. Thank you. That's more like it. That's better. Look at that. 67% of you. That is fantastic. 62. It's coming down a little bit now. 16 votes. So about 10 of you watched it. That's great. That's great. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Much better than yesterday. Anyway, White Knight is in the air. She's coming down now quite quickly. She's at 21,000 feet. 20,000 feet now. She's coming down pretty quick. And we just had a 1,500 feet, which is I don't know, I can't confirm this, but someone just alerted me to love it, aha, and your music. Thank you, filmmaker. If you become a member of my channel, a silver member, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and I get everybody to subscribe to you, and everybody will. It's something that we do. We are here to help people, and one of the things I do is love helping fellow YouTubers. I don't know if you are a YouTuber, but if you are, I will happily help you. We have member days where I promote you and all sorts of stuff. Anyway, space. Bill, I imagine you on the new Apple I imagine you on the new Apple goggles. Goggles. Hello, mate. There you go. That you're showing your age, Bill. Me and you, we're getting on. Look, see, we talk about goggles. We don't talk about headsets. We talk about goggles. I want me goggles. I love it. What a great day. Up 6.68. Great morning. Yes, indeed. Let's go back to the stocks. The S&P. We trimmed off the top. I've got 3.5 grand in cash now. Virgin Galactic's going up. Okay. Okay. Rivian. Tesla. Trimming off. Mullen. Rubbish. Lucid. Rubbish. Peter Rawlinson stealing all the money. Amazon. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Safe Money, yeah, XRP still going down, waiting for the outcome of the court case. We've got people researching that for you, making the chart videos. You can see that on the homepage of the channel. Okay. Now then, it's time for Day Trade of the Day. It's 10 o'clock. We've got to wrap up the show. Now then, this is what's going to happen. Okay, this video where you are watching right now will take you, let me just come back to a minute. This video where you're watching right now will take you to my world premiere. So at the end of this show, if you want to go and watch it, it will take you directly there. Okay, please go and watch it, leave a comment and like and everything. I'd really appreciate it. Huge support if you can do that for me, okay? Once you've watched that video, the music premiere, I'll give you the link again. It's pinned to the top as well. The world premiere will take you directly to the Fed live report. This is the Fed live report. We're going to be there live with Jerome Powell reporting on this. You can be the first person to comment and like. The music video will take you directly there. So once you've watched the music video, this video, the live stream, will take you directly there. Now we're going live, and you can see what time in your time zone right there on the video. The music video will take you directly there, so you won't miss anything. Okay, we'll be live for that, and that will replace the closing bell show. We'll go right through with the Fed report. We'll listen into Jerome Powell, we'll hear it live, and you won't miss a thing. That's going to happen live on the show today. Okay, hopefully you've all taken some profits off the top. I hope you have. Virgin Galactic is now coming down. White Knight's in the air. Okay. 15,000 feet now. So let's do day trader of the day. So every day at this time, we like to do day trader of the day. It's a competition that we have for our members. We have many member exclusive events, many things that we do. Fundraisers, concerts, shows, answer your questions, private videos, whatever. This is one of the things that we do every day. We have a competition. We have cash giveaways all the time on martynlucas.com/giveaway. If you've not checked out my website, look at the links following the screen and you can see it there. We've got 13 days to go to get to our birthday. In fact, 12 days now. 12 days to our second anniversary. We're trying to get to 1 million views. And if we do, in 12 days' time, live on the show, I am going to drink to oblivion. Get drunk on the show, celebrate our anniversary if we get to 1 million views. There is the Shorts playlist. In the Shorts playlist are 1,000 15-second videos. If you click on the playlist at the end of the show, we will get to 1,000 views. It's on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Just got to look for the playlist and scroll to the bottom, look for the Shorts, and you will find the Shorts playlist. We're trying to get to 1 million views so I can drink myself into oblivion on the birthday, which is in 12 days' time. And I'll tell you now, we are about 2 weeks behind schedule to reach the 1 million views by the birthday. Okay? So there you go if you want to be part of that. But now we're going to go over to Day Trader of the Day. This is where we do a special event for our members. If you've not yet taken part in the poll on Twitter and all the other things we're doing, this is where I post breaking news about Virgin Galactic. This is where I post information about my scalp trades. There's Twitter. Follow me on there, and I announce the trades as I do them so you never miss. Okay. Let's have a look. Let me just comment to one of our followers. I comment back to all my members to help you grow. Broke my own rules and chased it. Took a 10% loss. Oh, yes. Never chase. Yeah. I'm with you. I'm with you. Bad luck. We'll win it back next time. Okay. If you want to grow on social media, for all my members who comment and reply to me on Twitter, I will reply back to you and tag you in my viral posts so you'll all grow on there. Okay. We all help each other. That's what we do. All right. Let's go back to Day Trader of the Day. Here we go. And I'm up again today, consistently up. Now for 7 months in a row, up 0.35%. Let's do our Day Trader of the Day. And if you want to take part in this, it's one of our members only events. It's about to go members only on the stream. We have a lot of members exclusive content. And at the end of this video, it will take you directly to the music concert, and then it will take you directly from that to Jerome Powell's live event. Okay, let me switch over now to members only. Customization, members in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, poacher score on the screen. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. Okay. Here we go. Now make sure that you are up to date on the video. Some of you don't know about that. Let me show you what it is. If you're watching the video now on YouTube and the live button is grey, see it's grey? It means I'm behind the stream. Click live. Then you are up to date. And you can even go even further up to date. Yes, you go into playback speed, go 2 times, and it will catch it up another 15 seconds. So now you're literally 5 seconds behind me actually speaking. That is how you do it. You go live, and then you go double speed. That's catching up with me now, look. Seconds. So now you're literally 5 seconds behind me actually speaking. That is how you do it. You go live, and then you go double speed. That's catching up with me now, look. Now you're literally 5 seconds behind me actually. There you go. You're now 5 seconds behind me. That's how you do that. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. We got our first members now posting. Sam Connery on Facebook. Every day he tries to get in. He's on Facebook though. It's only for YouTube members. Eric B down 1.2. No, how can we be down today? Up 2.47. Liam Laffey is up 2.47. I am up 0.31. Liam Laffey's in the lead. Do we have any advances on points on 2.47? Let's have a look. Sam Connery is trying to get his comment on the screen. He can't do it because it's YouTube members only. This is our members thing now. Okay, here we go in just a few seconds. Any more members? We've got Eric down 0.12. I'm up 0.36. Liam Laffey is up 2.47. Okay, the winner is Liam Laffey. That's a great score. Thank you for your honest trade. Give you a thumbs up, and congratulations to you. Well done indeed, Liam. Very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic is starting to sell off a little bit. Did you trim off a little bit? Taking a bit of profits off the table. Okay, Dan, Husker Dan, you're a little bit behind, Dan. 0.23. Make sure that you've clicked the live button and then double speed and make sure that you're up to date. Tiagio was also behind the stream, 1.2. Click the live button and then go double speed. That way you can come straight, you'll be literally 5 seconds behind when I actually speak. That's how the members do it. There you go. Bit of information for you. Okay. Virgin Galactic is dropping. We've still got White Knight in the air. Oh, hang on. White Knight is down at 13,000 feet now. She's coming down to land. But that's it from me. Now, if you stay on this video, you'll go directly to the music premiere. The music premiere will then take you directly to the live event for FOMC report. We're going to be there live. You don't want to miss it. Thank you to everyone who's liked and shared the music this morning on the 2-hour break. But now it's time to rock and roll. So let's do the end credits. This is where we celebrate the people that were the stars of our show. All right, I'll see you back in a little bit. Let's roll the credits. Let's clear the tickers down. Here are the credits. Have we got any credits today? Let's have a look. This is where we get members, super chats, comments, stuff like that. So, super chat, Christopher Messick, thank you so much indeed. New subscribers from Mike Flynn, Alphon Bra-Roja, Roger Tran Carrillo. Members, Husker Dan. We got another new member, Husker Dan. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. And Virgin Galactic is now coming into land. Looking good. So, we'll be back very, very shortly. This video now will take you to the world premiere. Go and watch the world premiere of the music channel. The music channel will take you directly to the FOMC report. We'll be live for that, and that will replace our closing bell. You don't want to miss it. Get ready to make some money. Get ready to buy the bottom as it drops, and get ready for the explosion if we get some good news. Until next time, take care of yourselves, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, and each other. Bye-bye for now. See you in a bit.